Good morning, team. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Yeah, guys, I was out yesterday, man. We had a gang of meetings to go to yesterday. Not just that, I finally got a team to help and assist with the website and everything. So, man, it's been back-to-back meetings, a lot of coding and trying to get ready. Because, guys, you got to keep in mind, I got to separate the regular side from the membership side. So, there's a lot going on right now. Plus, I got to get with AK-47 tonight because we got a video conference tonight. So we're gonna be I'm gonna be on there. I'm gonna post the link. So we're gonna be have a lot of things going on. So I will be with AK-47 tonight in the trader panel with other traders, guys, discussing a lot of things. So that's gonna be taking place. But guys, I am back on the scene and things gonna go back to normal time. It's gonna go back to normal starting next week. And like I said, man, there's lots gonna be taking place. We're getting ready for the prize giveaway section where people can win a chance to win prizes as far as cash and memberships and things of that nature. So it's been busy. It's been hella busy. I'm about to be opening up the Discord voice call, guys, with my top traders, guys. Primo, Hardware, Lucky, a lot of these guys, we're gonna be. I'm about to be opening up the Discord to hear these guys talking for the for Friday's setup today, guys. For SPY, Tesla, Meta, they already killed it on the downside. Shout out to them. So I'm about to get them in on the voice call real quick, guys, and let me see if I can get them on. Let me see. Let me go back and join. All right, fellas, we are back on the live and we are good to go. Good morning, Nadia. Make sure I got them on.
Okie dokie.
Gotcha, but okay, y'all good to go. I can hear y'all. Y'all good to go.
There goes Apple.
All right, let me go back to Apple real quick too. Meta already dropped.
Yo, Jay, remember as soon as you were dipping out, we're like, yo, get in that small position right now, baby.
Yeah. Yep. You're right.
Over 45% right there, man.
Gotcha.
Here's your view up. Here is your view up.
Yep, right.
Hey, I told you I wanted my VWAP, Primo. I'm going to get what the hell I want.
There you go. I just give it to you.
You talking about on SPY hardware?
Yeah.
That 750.87?
No, I mean, I'm just in four things, right? I mean, like I said, I'm in Palantir, Meta right now, and Tesla. I mean, I'm just taking profits and dipping it right now. I mean,
I know you kidding.
if I could get Meta back to VWAP, I mean, that's a freaking Friday gift.
Okay, gotcha. We got Apple back up towards the 315.
Yeah, no, let's not talk about Apple. They can
Oh yeah,
drop that.
I forgot you don't like Apple. I forgot about that. Y'all don't have a good relationship.
Yeah. I hope every firmware gets fucked. Hate Apple.
Right now, Tesla still watching that 410. We still pulling on that one.
Lucky, you're still in the call position with us with the SPY, right?
SPY and Palantir.
Okay,
Good,
PLTR.
good shit. All right.
Let me see what PLTR doing.
Now Palantir is going to be a slow one though, man. It's not moving as fast as I want, but I mean that's what they're into. So we'll see.
Let me see the level y'all need to get on top of with Palantir.
You think Palantir will hit VWAP?
No, Palantir is going to hit VWAP 100%, but it's just I just don't know what the hiccup is a little bit, because it should have we should have hit 139.25 like I don't know, like 3 minutes ago or so. So it's a little concerning on my end. But I'm not gonna drop out yet.
Yeah, that area on PLTR, the area that we need to get back on top of is 139.42 up towards that 140. Because you already got SPY reverse in, so waiting on the rest of these to start going for their bounces back to the upside.
The only the only concern right now is they're worried about a 1030 flush right now. 1030 the 1030 to 1045 flush.
Okay.
They're just worried about a big flush coming around that time because there's some back end orders that a lot of people are talking about that we're not involved in. So I'm just
so pretty much a second group of sellers to come in, pretty much.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, you know, these are the algos that's gonna step in soon and stuff. So
okay, got you.
Just be careful. I mean, I have a really tight stop today, so.
So would it be best just to wait after what 10:30? In your opinion?
Yeah, I mean, like I'm pins and needles around 10:30 here.
Okay, got you.
But we're still on the upside though.
Okay.
They still haven't switched sides, so they're still on the upside.
10-4. Get my account ready. Put the rest of my money in my account. I'm good to go. All right. Yep, SPY had a nice little bounce. Let me see. I can get mine set. Put in my full amount and I'm golden. 206. Has what?
All right, meta is working in our favor. Let's go. I just need fucking Palantir to step it up.
Oh shit.
Amazon hit VWAP. Let's go.
Well, as long as meta hits it and Palantir hits it, we're fucking. I mean, here's that 139 right here at this level. This is perfect.
Switched. Alright, 270. Alright, cool. Alright.
I'm not gonna lie. Just to give you a heads up, Lucky. I did the bitch move a little bit, and I took a little profits on the 139. I got out a big chunk of it.
Yeah, so look like
Volunteer?
yeah, look like
Yeah, I chickened out, Primo. I chickened out.
yeah.
Yeah,
look like,
no.
So look like you have room to run up towards that
I
139.42.
closed everything on my SPY.
Yeah, those are.
I mean, Palantir's gonna go up higher, right? But then I just pussied out, and I feel stupid now. Yup, I feel stupid. Oh my god, I feel stupid.
Nadia and Aussie. Good morning, Queens. Yeah, so you do have room to push up back up towards that 139.42 on PLTR. Tesla, we still haven't got
I'm
that.
gonna see how
bounce
Amazon
yet.
is doing.
That
Amazon is
4.9 level.
Primo, why don't we do Amazon today?
Let me see Amazon.
You want to do everything, huh?
Oh no,
I
you
mean,
see
there's
that?
only
Huh? You done
5
got cocky, now you got
stocks.
greedy. You see that, Primo?
I know.
But he
Damn.
Hey,
done,
he's been itching for 6 months.
yeah, he
Primo.
done caught that fire again.
Primo.
We got the
Hey,
old hardware back.
you motherfuckers, okay? I got 6 months I gotta make up, okay?
We got
I'm
the,
hungry.
Slow down, baby. Slow down.
we got the old
Don't
hardware
study.
back. That's what I'm talking about.
Don't study. Don't study.
All right, SPY pulling back down towards that 149.53.
All right, never mind. I'm happy. I'm happy we got out of that Palantir. I'm super happy.
I'm out of everything right now. Reset.
Yep, right now Tesla's still pulling underneath 409 down to 408, so that's still pulling. Look
You
like
know-
so we may be getting
You
set
know
up
what,
for that
Freddy?
second leg pullback coming on that one.
You know what, Freddy?
What?
Palantir is about to pull back.
Yeah. I mean,
You
Primo. I literally got out at the very top. I'm very happy.
It's gonna drop to 136.
Wait,
136.50.
wait, Palantir?
Yeah,
All right, hold on a second.
136.50. If it's not holding here at
I'm taking a look. I'm taking a
hold
look.
on. Only needs to drop 138.
Is he buying?
138.
No, now that he sold his position on Palantir at the tops, I think they may be setting up for another pullback coming out of him. Let me go.
Yeah, if it break 138.20, it's gonna go down.
See, Primo, this is exactly what the hell I talked. They said it's 10:30 to 10:40. Really careful. Yep. They're right.
Yep, because Tesla already going for a pullback down towards damn near 406. So that's still pulling.
Yep, we're spot, dude. These motherfuckers are spot on the time zones. Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, look like Palantir setting up for a two-legged pullback. So if you notice, Primo, on PLTR on your 5-minute time frame, you had 3 red candles down. Now going into consolidation for the possible next leg. So almost like a two-legged pullback.
Yeah.
PLTR.
Oh my god, I can't. I'm so happy I trusted my gut on that one.
There you go. Palantir is about to go down.
Yep.
Boom.
Yep, I see it. So I'm on PLTR watching it real quick. Back down underneath. What is that? 138.
One more candle. One more candle.
So okay, there go the second batch of sellers coming in. God, I'm looking at Tesla on the 1-hour time frame. All I see is just straight red.
Oh, don't even look at it.
Please.
Don't even look at Tesla.
Don't look at what?
Don't even look at Tesla, I say.
Oh, I don't even want to look at Tesla. I'm done with Tesla.
Yeah, I mean, there's two huge red candles on the 1 hour, so I mean, it's definitely bleeding off.
Yeah.
Wait, when's the SpaceX IPO again? The date wise?
Not
Well-
a set date. I think next week.
Wait, so they have a? I mean, because I haven't done any research on it, but did they have a release date yet?
I think they said the 12th, which is Friday next week.
Of course, they would do it on a fucking Friday. Those assholes.
All right, what we got? Still got SPY back underneath 149. Yep, maybe getting that second.
What SpaceX is what? SPCX.
Correct.
So their IPO listing is 135. Holy shit. Huh. All right. Well, either people are gonna make a shit ton of money with the SpaceX, or they're gonna lose a shit ton.
Let's see.
Jay, did you change your accounts all to margin back now? Finally.
Oh no, I still got my cash count. I gotta switch it back. I forgot they did away with the whatchamacallit, the PDT.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, I need to.
Actually, if you haven't anything today, just change it now before you get into a trip.
Yeah, I got you. I forgot about that. All right, PLTR. Let me see. We got this huge. Hey Primo, real quick, if you look at your 1 hour time frame on PLTR, you can see why it's doing that. Like the pullbacks, if you notice, on your 1 hour time frame, where we had that massive bullish rally up towards that what it was like 162.50, and you can see that massive rally back on down. So you notice it's in that downtrend, huge downtrend. It's been downtrending since what? Since Monday. You've been on a Monday downtrend. Back down to those bottoms, right around 132.50.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
what
So
I say
So it look like it's just coming back down from that huge rally we had. So that's look like it's coming back down to those bottoms.
Yeah, the next key level is 130.
I'm shocked that you guys still trade Palantir. I thought most of you guys didn't.
And the only thing with SPY, you just got a huge inverted cup and handle on that one. That's why you're having that pullback come back down towards that possible 147.27, and then from that level, back down to the damn 740s. Just a huge cup, huge cup on that one. So all you're doing is setting up for a lower rotation now. So your pivot point is 747.27 on SPY. That's the pivot, and if it cracks that, then you'll be setting up for a lower rotation underneath that bad boy. Yep, so that was a huge inverted cup on SPY. Let me see. Yep, same thing even with Tesla. Yep, inverted.
All right, it's 10:30 here. All right, there's that little lovely five-minute time frame.
So what would be the true bottoms on you? For Tesla, the true bottoms all the way down towards damn near 395.
I just got yelled at by my friends that I got on my Palantir. And they
Oh,
said
setting up for the
they
bounce
said
coming?
too early and called me a pussy.
Oh, so they setting up for the bounce coming up soon.
I'm gonna take my profits. They can
Yeah,
tell
I mean,
me whatever the hell
yeah.
they want.
Yeah, as long as you make profits, all that matter. All right, so I'm still watching. So, hardware primo. So the login, everything was fine for you guys on y'all end.
I haven't done it yet.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. I gotta send you the link again. Yeah. So you can do it.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it this weekend.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, I'm dying. I just choked. I almost choked dying because my buddy just texted me saying that that's it. You're out of the club, and I was like, no.
Oh.
he's like, how dare you not join, be in the fire with us? And I was like, bro, that shit went all the way back down to the lows. But I mean, we'll see. They're still in their upside position, so let's see how much they're pushing.
Let me see. I see what price point we need to get back on top of on Tesla. I know exactly what price point we need to get back on.
I mean, I know they want 140. Just FYI, that's pound for Palantir. They want 140.
Yeah, I see it. Yep. Almost around that open. Today's open on Palantir was what?
They're absolutely crazy though.
40.32.
I mean, I'm looking at the charts and stuff. I mean, like I get what they're trying to do, but man, that's a lot of money that you gotta put. There's a lot of volume that needs to come in too.
IWM. Let me see. IWM.
Hey Primo, what do you think of coin? I'm liking this 150 area on coin. You think we could go lower?
185. 25.
Yeah, look at. I mean, check out coin too. Coin's juicy.
Let me check it out real quick. Coin. Let me see. Let me check it out too.
I mean, I have an alert set for 150, 150, and 150 on the dot, but I mean, like for that reversal upside for a coin, I mean, once crypto market slowly gets back recovery, I mean, bro, this is like you see the
especially definitely if we get back above that 160, yeah, it can definitely take fire because that's where those strong bounces have happened at, especially 160.
I mean, if for those people who whoever's watching or listening, whatever, I mean, like if you want to be jumping back on a stock that's gonna have like a uptrend, like a super uptrend, I mean, coin is gonna be one of the top names right now.
Let me see what these bottoms at on coin. I got 152.50. Where we at right now? Yep, 152.50. Watch that 152.50. Let's see, can it hold for that push back up? That's gonna be one area. 152.50. That's where you had a strong bounce. That was February 24th. That was those bottoms, and you had a strong, huge move from 152.50 all the way up towards like damn near 180. That was in February, so watch 152.50 right where we at. Right here.
Yep, I mean, coin's going to be interesting. God damn it. These guys are going to flame me. I mean, everything's back. SPY is jumping. Nice little uptrend.
Nadia, for your IWM, watch your 286, which you're already doing, back up towards that 288. Yep, PLTR pushing back. Let's see if we're going to go for that 139.42 break up towards 140. Let's see, can we go for this squeeze back? And you said also 1045 too, right? We're going to have another batch of sellers, you said too? 1045?
1040, 1045, yeah.
Okay, so within 5 minutes. All right, so we'll see what's gonna happen in 5 minutes. See if that's gonna.
I mean, right now, I mean, like all the volume's upside right now. You know, there's a nice little kick volume right now.
Okay. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, watch that 139.42 on PLTR. That's the area we need to get back on top of. That was post-market's bottoms and pre-market bottoms. That's where they had those bounces. 139.42. So we need to turn that back into support. So we need a break, strong counter push, 5-minute push up towards that close, and then we can go from there.
Lucky, I know that you're still in pounds here. What's your positive percentage? What's your percentage? I don't think you got out, right? Lucky.
No, I'm still in 24%.
What's your percentage? I'm super curious.
It was at 24. That's 18 now.
Yeah, so
damn, it's still not bad.
So right now, Lucky, what we need to see on PLTR, boss, we already got one strong green counter push back up. We need to see the second green counter come in. I would like to see the second green counter break right through that 139.42. So, I mean, if we can do that, then we can possibly see a third counter come in. So we definitely want to, here we go. So we definitely want to see this second counter push right through that VWAP, right above that 139.42. We want to see that second candle push. So let's see, can we get it?
I just want to be like her and hit that VWAP. That's it.
Bruh, I mean, no, you know what the crazy thing is? Like, they called me out because I got out at the top, but then they reloaded a shit ton at the bottom. So they're all, I mean, you guys are all printing now, you know?
Yeah. So we should be seeing, yeah, they in. So with that 5-minute counter, Lucky, that should be a strong push through that.
I mean, there it is. I mean, yep. you guys hit it already.
There you go. So let's see. And we want to close right on top of 139.42. There we go. There you go.
Good job, Lucky.
Keep going.
Yeah, I'm happy for you, ugly mother effers.
You jumped ship. Hey, but you still back though.
I'm not sour. I'm not bitter about you guys
you back
hitting the percentage.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still an opportunity. I mean, it's still some more upside to come.
Jay, I'm fucking happy for them.
Yeah.
Can you see the excitement in my voice? How happy I am for them?
Boss. Yep. Now you can take.
Yeah, that's you too.
Now you can take.
I'm so happy for you, Lucky. I'm glad you got it.
hey, Hardware. Now you can take Oracle to the casino with you.
Not help. Don't wonder why, because this mother effer just pops up in chat.
Oh shoot.
Dude, the moment this motherfucker pops in, the whole market just goes down. Do you not see this?
I'm happy for all you guys too.
that sounds so sarcastic. I'm happy, yo. That sounds sarcastic.
Damn, Oracle, the moment you just hop on, everything just turns red. It's crazy.
All right, Lucky. So in that 5-minute time frame, boss, this is the one we need. We want to see that breakthrough. We don't want to see it topping out right here. We need a breakthrough right here. We don't want to see a top out. We need to break right through this right now on that VWAP, on this 5-minute candle. We got about what, 30 seconds? And we stay underneath that VWAP and underneath that 139.42. Let's see. Right,
Oracle, I'll pay for your thing. Just tell me every trade that you're thinking about you're gonna get into 5 minutes prior.
No shit, you ain't lying. As soon as he came in and started pulling back.
Yeah, Oracle. Like I'll
No
pay whatever you
kidding.
want. Just
You not
whatever
lying.
you think you're about to do, just give me a 5-minute timer warning and be like, hey, I'm thinking about doing puts on the market. Just give me 5 minutes.
Alright.
I'm
This
innocent. You ain't lying, Hardware. As soon as he came in and started pulling
Bro,
back.
if I knew this guy's gonna come in 5 minutes, if we were in shorts at the very top, we'd all be at 40% right now.
Damn, Oracle is really that guy. Damn. I'm not playing with
Hey, when he comes in the chat,
Okay, it's really that guy.
he's in the chat, it should be an alarm. You guys need to set up the alarm.
I told you when he was talking about he was happy for y'all, he was so being sarcastic.
Yo, that's crazy though.
He said happy for y'all guys and just start shorting it. Boy, you cold blooded, Oracle. Boy, you cold as ice.
Wow. Even Amazon's taking a nice little beating.
Yeah, I ain't miss one, Oracle. But nah, I see what you mean when he come in.
Oh shit. I mean, Lucky, you got out completely, right? You took that profit?
Yep, 24%.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
why I
how
told
much?
24.
It's still not bad, dude.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Especially after we hit that bottom stuff, after getting that 20, that's insane.
So Lucky, if you notice on your 5-minute time frame, if you put a price point right around at 140, 139.42, the reason why I called that out, if you notice, that was pre-market's bottom bounce, and that was post-market's bounce from yesterday. 139.42, if you notice. So that area turned from support now into resistance. So you notice that on your PLTR? 139.42?
Yeah, let me see, 130. I'm just upset. I mean, I got out a little quick, but still, fuck.
Yeah, we know that. Yeah, Oracle over there quiet. We know what he doing.
Oracle just woke up, so now I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for what he thinks.
Yeah, because right now it look like it's look like a little bear flag setting up. A little bear flag, so you're arcing right now. Right underneath that price point I called out. Back on down towards 138.
Oracle, the moment you think you're about to jump, I know your head right now. I know what you're thinking. You're like, I want to do a call. So the moment you want to do a call,
that's why he
just
laughing.
let me know so I could add more puts to the market.
I'll let you know.
You caught that short, Oracle? You caught that short back down?
I just woke up, just
Oh,
jumped
okay.
Yeah.
That was a good little scalp right there from the underneath that 139.42 back down to 138. So right now look like it's ranging from that 139.42 back down to the 130. What was the bottoms on these? 137. What? 137.70. So you're in a range, like a little mini range right now. Especially after
All
that.
right, Oracle, you think about jumping in a call now? Is this your moment?
This is my moment. This is so funny. Let me see. Let me see what my beautiful brain says.
I know you're not shorting. I know you're on a call side. I 100% know you're not shorting.
Nah, ain't no shit. So I'm fucking here in my bed. Just open my phone. Bro.
Still got them PJs on, chilling.
Hey, there. It's my day off too.
Shit, I don't blame. How the weather is over there, Oracle? Cause over here, man, it's been raining back and forth. It's like sleep weather over here.
Yeah, that's what put my ass to sleep. It started raining, so I was like, oh,
same
shit.
thing over here. Straight raining.
Straight, nice and cozy.
Netflix and the
Damn, I wish I would have gotten in the story. Damn.
For SPY, watch your 749.53 level. See if that's gonna hold. If it cracks, going back down towards that 748. Watch yourself in 49.50 area. PLTR got a hold at 137.70. So right now, PLTR, you are in the range, a little mini range right now.
Look at that, Jay. We're talking about fucking 151 on coin. Look at that. It's a 150, 154 now.
Let me see. Take a look at it. I just was on it.
I told you guys to look at that.
Nah, you did call it out. Shout out to you. You did call it out, boss. You did call it. I think the area I had was where I called the area that we needed to hold was that 152.50. Yep.
Told you that the bottom bounce on the coin. If you wanted a short money hit, that was it.
152.50 towards what was the low on this one? 156.28.
I'm just about to get out of this coin position though. I'm taking my profits.
So it looked like
I'm taking my profits.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, coin we need to get back above 156.28 for the upside.
155.25 for me. I'm out. I 155.25.
Okay, gotcha. I'm gonna put an alert right at that 156.28 on mine. 156.28.
Actually, you know what? That's being greedy, like Primo says. I'll get out of VWAP.
Especially on Fridays. You already know how Fridays is. So I got my alert set on that one. For 156.28, so it's gonna try to push back up. SPY still looking.
Here's the thing: the VIX is about to fall, but I just see everything selling off too a little bit. But I mean, we should see it. We should be seeing start seeing some volumes to the upside coming up.
Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting to see on. I'm watching PLTR's 137.70, see if that's gonna hold, and then start to move back up towards that 139.
Wait, Primo, is it too early to start positions right now? You think or no?
What time it is?
Or am I tripping? Am I jumping the gun here?
I mean, do you think it's?
I'm talking to the upside. Like market should be picking up volume.
That's what I'm saying.
Coming
Do you think it may start to kick off around like 11:30, 12, like around lunch hour maybe? Or you think it's gonna start to push before then?
Let's see.
I mean, VIX should be going down right now.
Yeah, because right now the VIX is at a 6.6%. Let me take a look at VIX real quick.
Yeah, it's forming higher low.
Let me see. Let me look at
lower
VIX.
high, lower high.
Yeah, I mean, this is where the market slowly should be. I mean, like this is like, am I jumping the gun a little too early? You think?
Okay, VIX is turning
Wait for confirmation though. Yeah.
Now the thing.
We have a little bit more leg.
Have a little bit. Yeah, fine. I'll have a little.
Now the thing with
more
VIX, VIX is setting up almost like a bull flag pattern too. See, you back underneath that 1666 on VIX, but it does look like a bull flag pattern setting up on that damn thing. Cause once it gets back above 1666, you got a lot of room to push back up towards like damn near 18. So yeah, be mindful of that.
Yeah, what's going on with the chip stocks though, like AMD and Nvidia? They've been flat. Absolute fun. Fuck, man. This is the moment. Even when I'm like trading, like I really want to do calls right now. Like in my heart, I just want to start positions on this, but.
And also on hardware, if you look at SPY on your 1 hour, you got if you see on that 1 hour on that 10 o'clock candle, you got a huge upper shadow, and you're getting stuff right at 749.53. So it look like you already got that 9 o'clock candle. You had a red candle on that one, and then right now at 10 o'clock you got a huge upper shadow, almost like a bear flag. And that price point is gonna be like 749.50. So it could, if we don't get back above 749.50, I mean, we could be setting up for the next leg, possibly down. If they don't get back above that price.
Yeah.
It got a huge.
Yep, I'll see.
Yeah, you got a huge.
One more pullback.
Yeah, huge upper shadow on that bad boy.
Yeah, SPY might be double bottom.
Yeah.
And then that's where, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Right, I'm gonna grab coffee. I'll be back.
All right, boss. Yeah, so yeah, hardware on SPY. Yeah, definitely watch that 749.50 area.
Yeah, I don't none of y'all motherfuckers. I started my position.
You on the long side? Just
Yeah,
I
I started the position for the upside. Like, I mean, if I have to average, I'll average, but I'm on the upside now.
Yeah, because like I said, we can't get that break above that 749.50. You do have room to fall back down to a 747.27.
100%. I understand what you guys are saying.
Because you do have a nice still engulfing cup that's still.
Hey, when you're itchy, you itchy.
Yeah, when I'm itchy, I'm itchy. But I do have a little issue right now with Apple with a big fucking sell though. That's I don't know what just happened with Apple, but good. I'm happy for them.
Let's see.
But actually, no, that's gonna fuck me in the long game.
Because just like you were saying, the two hardware. Remember, you got that possible next batch of sellers that could come in.
Yeah, but I think we have the sellers buys covered though. I mean, like, look, I'm looking at the time and sales, like their sell volume, unless they sell. I mean, like, buyers are more in control right now.
Yeah, I mean, because what I'm looking at as far as the blue chips goes, I mean, everything is.
Oh my God, SPY.
Yeah,
SPY, if you could come to 750, 150, and I know I'm asking a lot, but I swear I won't touch anything today for the rest of the day.
Yeah,
I swear.
Because seems like the only thing that's really holding SPY right now is Apple itself, because that's the only one in the green. Everything else is in the red.
And of course, Jay, it's that one effing. Of course, it has to be Apple.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the blue chip stocks ladder. Like, everything is like -0%, -3%. The only one in the green is Apple itself. That's it, and that's like 0.5.
Man, if I was a fucking trillionaire, I would fucking make a company that just shits on Apple.
Yeah, I forgot you hate Apple.
God, I hate Apple so much. No matter what.
So watch that. Yeah, so right now just watch it 749.50. If that can hold, I mean, you could definitely go for that push back up towards that. What was the top on this little top area on SPY? That was back up towards like 7.
No, everything should have freaking start buying too, but it was just, of course, Apple wasn't participating in the fund. Apple was the one holding people for confirmation. Oh my God, here we go with the bottom. All right, so we're gonna see 148.80 here coming up now. Okay, so 148.80. All right. What's the bottom of today on SPY? 148.23 is the bottom. Okay.
Yeah, 148.23. Yep.
Alright, so we're about to see a little lick down. How much of a lick down are we gonna get though?
So you think they're gonna go back down to test that again for a double bottom possibly?
I mean, I know my guys are not trying to let it go down, so I'm trying my best to not go down, but I'm not throwing money at this like crazy.
Just let it go down.
See this mother effer. I should have asked you.
Just let it go down. Don't fight it.
Oracle, are you on puts right now or calls?
I'm just here for the vibes right now.
No, I fuck the vibes. If you have to pick a side right now, if I gave you $1,000 right now, are you picking upside or downside?
Oh God.
Going down.
You going down?
I'm going down.
All right, fuck it. That means all right. My calls are locked in. All right, to the moon.
Yeah, I
let's
definitely
go.
gotta go to the casino with y'all.
Yep. Let's go to the fucking moon.
Oh, Jesus.
Yo, Jay, like I said, if I ever go to the casino with Oracle, if he goes, yo, do red, I'm fucking put the house, put the car, everything on black.
Let's see. So yeah, watch that. Yeah, keep on watch for that 749.50. Make sure it's not a bull trap setting up right here.
Just remember what he just said. He said that he's on the downside right now. So and then you would Oracle, you'll start going on your downside around what, at 10:55, like coming up at this mark, right? You'll start doing your puts. Yeah, you start doing your puts. You start bringing your puts right now. All right, we got 5 seconds here.
Hey, Lucky, are you still watching PLTR?
Yeah, I bought in a little bit more.
Yeah. So we still in that range that I called out, that 137.70 bottoms and at 139.42 tops. So you still in that little range. So you need that breakout above
5 minute mark here.
So yeah.
And everything's getting a little tight. This is going to be pretty interesting, actually.
So I see SPY range. SPY range.
This is going to be a little interesting.
Yeah. So SPY range is the area you called out.
Oracle said he's on the downside.
Yeah. So SPY range is 748.23 bottoms and 751 tops. That's the range it's in right now.
Whoever's in calls, don't worry. Our movement's about to come.
So right now we're in the middle. Right?
It's okay. Whoever's in calls, trust me, our moment is about to come.
Yeah. So that it look like that 749.50 area is gonna be like make or break. Right? Where we at?
There it is, guys. I'm telling you. Remember, Oracle's on the downside. We have to get back to the view up on SPY. We got this.
All right, now we're back on top. Now we need that strong push back up.
I fucking love you, Oracle.
Cold-blooded.
I fucking love you.
Yep.
Hey, man, you gotta have friends like this, okay? If you don't have friends like this and every one of your friends think like you and they dress like you and talk like you, and it's just not fun.
So right now, hardware, we need that push now. Other than that, it's gonna be a bull trap setting up. They need a strong push.
We need that push. Ace
Yeah,
that.
we need that push right now. Other than that, it's gonna be a bull trap setting up.
It's hard for me to say, Oracle, you were right.
IWM 289. Let me see. Take a look at it real quick.
Hey, 3 minutes here. God, these volumes are horrible.
Oh yeah, it's horrible.
Why is it so bad?
It's like after that drop, it's just now consolidating.
I mean, bro, Tesla volume's only at 17 million.
Yeah. Well, like I said, if you
Amazon is only at 11.6.
But like I said, hardware. If you look at Tesla on the 1 hour time frame, that's all it's creating is a second red candle down. It's 2 red candles on the downside. Just still bleeding off. 289. Yeah, Nadia, IWM. Once you break above that 288, yeah, you got room to run up towards 289. Watch it 288. I see it. Yeah, right here, Queen. Yep, get above 288. You got room to run up towards 289 towards that open.
Whoa. Wait, what was that? Was that a fake order, or was that a real order that just came through?
Where is Tesla pulling down?
No, someone just came in with a fucking baller ass fucking buy. I don't know if that was fake or real. I'm trying to confirm it.
On SPY?
It was for SPY and it was for Meta too. I'm just confirming it. It's not confirming it. I mean, that was like a 1.8 to 2.3 million dollars just came in, which is nothing technically, but still. Oh yeah, it was a fucking confirmed order. Holy shit! All right.
Yeah, but we still holding on SPY, still pushing off of that 149.50 level, pushing back up. Here we go, up to 150.
Come on, market. Oracle was on the downside. You're gonna prove him right.
Yep. So that little level did hold right now. Level did hold. What, today crazy? Jeez. Today's a crazy day. SPY even suck today. Definitely suck. Yep.
Come on, market. Let's go. I mean, we
Seem like
should
they
be
all-
shooting up.
Yeah, they all consolidating. I mean, PLTR consolidating, SPY consolidating.
No,
Yep,
we
we
should
need
be
that-
expanding out of here.
Yep, we need that break above 751 on SPY. PLTR, you need that break above 139.42. Yep, just look.
Oracle, you're still on the upside. I mean, you're still on the downside, right?
Oh God, don't tell me.
Of course.
Oh my God, all right, come on. We have to shoot to the moon now.
I hope we don't be
Let's
in no
go
damn
to the moon.
2-hour
Confirmed.
I hope we don't be in no damn 2-hour consolidation.
No, Jay, watch this. Watch this fucking crazy pop that's about to happen. Watch this crazy pop.
Oh shit. PLTR starting to pick back up.
Watch this crazy pop. All right, 2 minutes here. Let's do a little consolidation here. Oh my God, Oracle might be right. It's the end of the days.
What's that price point we need to break? I'm saying 751 on SPY, 751 break. That's what we need on that one.
I mean, Oracle is correct if it touches 749.85. 749.85, he wins.
How we looking on
Oracle, you don't want to win, right? You don't want to win, right?
I always want to win.
I always want to win.
All right, DJ Khaled. All right, let's see. 22.
Not liking these volume sells though. Where's this big buyer at? I need him to kind of jump in a little bit.
Right here. Fix. With the lows.
Market. Let's go.
Right. On that one. About 19.
Oh my God, Oracle, you're about to win.
Now, I'm gonna tell you right now,
740.
hardware, VIX could be trying to bounce right off this 16-19 level. Watch that 16-19. If it bounces, then SPY's gonna pull back. But if we do drop underneath, SPY's gonna go back up. But this is an area where VIX.
I mean, where's VIX at right now? I'm not even looking at it. I mean,
Yeah,
is
it's
VIX
trying-
under
it's trying-
1650?
Yeah, so VIX is trying to bounce right here.
Wait, is it under 1650 or is it over
It's underneath.
1650?
It's underneath 1650. Right now it's at
Oh, okay.
1634, but it bounced off of 1619.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So we're still in the
right now
chop zone then.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
right now look like VIX is on the bounce area.
Okay. So we're in the
It's
choppy
causing SPY to
zone.
pull back. Good Lord, Tesla, where you pulling down to? I know it's gonna be going to a nice little bounce area soon. Where's those bottoms? I see 400 down to 395 bounces area. Well, I know you're gonna have a strong bounce coming soon. I'm waiting on you.
Damn it, Oracle.
I'm waiting on you. Yeah, the VIX is bouncing. That's because VIX is bouncing off of that 1619. That's why it's bouncing. So it's making SPY pull back. Damn. God, that would have been a strong. That would have been a good area. I mean, they winning on the push side on Tesla for sure. Is it at 137? Oh, it is 1637. Okay. So good to hear everyone again in Discord. Great fun. Oh, what up, Aussie? Yeah, I'm glad to be surrounded with my fellas, man. Lucky and Hardware and Oracle, all my guys. Yeah, it feel good to be hearing their voices.
I missed you guys.
Yeah, I missed y'all, man. It's feel good to be hearing y'all, man. It's fun.
I didn't miss none of you guys. I was happy for 6 months here not hearing your voices.
That's fine. That's fine.
Especially you.
That's cool. We get it. Tough love. Let's see. Yeah.
I mean, I literally doubled my position on this, so I mean, let's see. I mean, this is like do or die now for me.
I mean, we could be cupping.
I mean,
back
I have a big buy at 748.80 here. So if it touches that, then that's my double up zone. Then I'm doubling down.
Want me to get some calls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need some of my damn self. You ain't lying. That do sound good right about now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm on the upside right now for the bounce. So
It might, the way it's setting up though, boss, it may possibly pull back down to that 48.23. We may cup down. Start the curl.
yeah. I mean, I'm gonna pull my buyback maybe lower than 43. So I'm just seeing how far this little flush is, but I know people don't want a big flusher. I know that for a fact. Just trying to see where they're at. I want to see if them, because I think they got out of their positions too. Did you get out of your position, liquid?
Yep, that bad boy started slowly cup and fell right back underneath that 49.50.
Yeah, I mean they said no. They're still in their position, so okay. We'll see.
So yeah, right now we're just still in this back and forth consolidation. But yeah. Going right back down.
I'm curious. The moment Oracle got in and we were in a put situation, how much would be up? I'm kind of curious. How much would it have been up? It would have been up, what, 30? No, that would have been 28, 30%, maybe?
I'll tell you right now, if VIX can get above 1666, a bigger flush is coming. Right now it's at 1641.
I mean, it's literally at the sweet zone, 1648. It's literally at that zone, so. I mean, hey, Oracle, if you would have gone into your short, you'd be at 36%.
Oh,
you hit under 748.23, you'd be at like 60%. Oh my God, our Palantir just took a little fat shit. So one more flush income. But I mean, I really don't want to see this flush. I really don't want to see this flush.
Yeah, we still just fighting with that 139.
I really don't want to see this flush, brother.
Yep, look like SPY's pulling it right back down to those bottoms, that 48.23. Let me see how if SPY does crack that. How low can this bad boy go? Let me see. Let's see. Yep, look like it. Oh yeah, look like it's setting up for a bad flag. Look like it might maybe setting up for the next leg down. Yep. I see it on the 1 hour. So that may be that second red counter coming in. Back down towards, what's that price point? That's gonna be back down towards 747.27. Right where my line is at.
Oracle, you would have made bank right now. Get your ass out of the bed. Man, Oracle, you be taking my money right now.
So right now it's 11 o'clock, so that might be the second batch of sellers coming in.
Let's see right here. This is the key moment for me. This is the key moment for me, boys.
Yeah, because on the 5, because 5 by that counter, but they about to gap down underneath, what is that, 49?
Coin just Coin is fighting right now. Coin is fighting right now.
Yep. Let me see. Watching that 749 to see if they're gonna stay on top of it or they're gonna close below it. They right by it. Got about 5 seconds till it closes out. All right. 749 right about now.
If this is it, this is gonna be it. Coming up. Stop playing games.
All right, still pulling. Still, yeah, we got the inverted cup. Hardware, so yeah, be careful on that. You got the inverted cup coming in.
I mean, bro, Oracle said he's on the downside. Could he actually be right? There's no way.
Unless those bots get back on top of 49.50. Other than that, it's about to be reversing.
I refuse to believe. I refuse to believe Oracle is right
Let it
today.
happen. Just let it happen.
Nah, hell no.
Yeah.
Hell
Fucking let it
no.
happen.
Oh, it's happening too.
He said let it happen.
Damn. Let's see. Yep, boy, this is consolidation hour right now because we can because it still haven't broke. It hasn't broken out nor cracked. You still in that box. 751 down towards that 748.23. It's just still in that box right now. We haven't picked a direction yet. Oh, there we go, the gap down.
Damn, Oracle, you would. I just seen where you would be at ever since we talked. You would be at 62%.
Would have been beautiful.
Would you have taken your profits at 62%?
No, I'm going for 746.
746. All right, this is all right. Nah, go back to sleep.
Hey, somebody log him off.
This guy's at 746.
I mean, he not lying. I mean, it's aiming towards that 747.27 I talked about. If it cracked that 46, it's a possibility.
Jay,
Ain't a lot. I've been
Jay?
working. I've been
Thank you, Jay.
on puts. Getting fucked.
Wait, who's Fiva? You're in puts?
I've been in Palantir puts since like 10:30.
Palantir. Fuck Palantir.
He said, "Fuck that shit."
Fever, what you got in there, boss, on your puts?
Fucking bottom. Say like 138 40s.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, I mean, you had a good area right around that 130, 39 too. That was a good one.
Hoping for a good leg down, good push.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Oracle's
So
on
the way it looked like he's setting up on the 5. I mean, it looked
Yeah.
like he's setting up for a bad flag as well. And maybe setting up for the next leg down on that one too. Because Spy's definitely setting up for that next leg down. Because you already got VIX right at 1649. Top area up is towards 1666. Right now we're at 1652. So it's still pushing. So let's see. There go that net. Let's see. 748 on Spy. My target area is 747.27.
Hey, don't be calling nobody, Eric. Let it happen.
He said, "Don't call
Right. You
nobody."
got quiet. Got real quiet when we were on puts.
He said,
Yeah,
"Don't
you
call
got quiet as
nobody."
fuck.
Morning teller. Let's see if it's gonna hit my target on the downside. POTR, your target area is back down towards that 137.70. Tesla, we still pulling back. I still think we got 400 to go down to possibly 395. I see some sweet bottoms down there. If you ain't no on Tesla, still looking good. I mean, that still is dumping if you're on the put side. Still got a lot of room to fall. Down towards 400.
Over.
Yep, they go there pull back on SPY. That we talked about.
Oracle, I hate you. I hope you stub your toes today.
He say, Oracle say, I'm gonna wipe it off with my profits.
This mother effer is not even in the position either. It's crazy. Wait, I mean, like, how? What is selling off so much right now?
Let me take a look. Let me see what Apple doing. Apple's turning, fell underneath that 315 down. Let's see. You got Amazon pulling back. Google. Yeah, they all pulling back right now, boss. I mean, all of them, they all dropping. I'm looking at every single blue chip. They all, Nvidia's falling back down. Yeah, they all falling. All pulling. Every single one. The only one that's holding for dear life is Apple. That's the only one that's holding for dear life.
Oh, I just seen Tesla right now. Holy shit, Tesla's just touched.
I told you down towards 400 to 395. I told you it was bleeding off. If you look at it on your 1 hour time frame, that's the third red candle down. Yeah, it's aiming towards that 400 down to 395.
Damn, Oracle. We should have kept our position. I don't know. We show up.
Yeah, Apple, trying to hold.
Primo, what position are you in right now?
Nothing.
Okay, I was about to say, I was like,
No.
See, if Apple cracks that,
And,
what is that, Primo? Is that 313? If it cracks 313 on down to 312, you go to those bottoms.
what, Apple?
On Apple, yeah, that 313 was trying to hold, but if we crack that right where the open is, I think we're going for the next leg down on that one.
Apple is...
Got an upper shadow on the 5, and it looks like it's starting to curl already. Right at 313.
I mean, yeah, that's the first one, but I can see...
it's got an upper shadow, yeah, because it's getting weak right now. Getting a little weak.
I can see Apple fixing like 311, man. 311.80.
I see an upper shadow on the 5-minute time frame. Look like they're trying to push underneath, trying to stuff them underneath that 313. So I'm watching that level to see if it's gonna hold or we're gonna crack it. It's trying to bounce. Buyers are trying to fight 313. Sellers are trying to take it out. All right, Hardware. Let's see if we're gonna catch a double bottom right here. That 48.23. Let's see if can it bounce and go for that pushback up. Let's see if it's gonna try to double bottom. Right on SPY.
I mean, VIX hit that 1640 right now, so I'm a little concerned.
Because if they don't catch this double bottom, it's going down towards that 47.27 area I called out. Right back down to that area. That'll be candle number 3 on the downside. That'd be red candle 3. Especially if Apple cracks that 313, that's gonna contribute to SPY dropping.
Alright, I just did the most dumbest shit. Like
You added.
I fucking added, dude.
What are you playing?
SPY upside.
I mean, you can do a scalp back up towards that 749 if they, if they go for this bounce.
I'm deep in this position though.
Dude, what happened?
I mean, I have a stop at 747.80, and I'll pretty much be at even money, so I'm fine. But I'm trying to get back to 749, like, 50 area here. It is a battle. It is a battle.
Yep, so we're right at those bottoms. So let's see if we're going to go for this bounce, a little double bottom, back up real quick. I mean, you can get that scalp. Boy, hardware just going crazy today. What's going on?
I mean, bro. I mean, I feel. I mean, there should be a nice little upside here. It shouldn't be this bottom heavy here.
Yeah,
I mean, if it does,
that buying volatility is just horrible right now.
I know. Look at VIPs. It's like nice up and down.
Yeah, that area that I was telling them about earlier, Primo, on the upside was going to be that 1666. If they can break above that, then SPY's going to go for a harder pull.
Yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna take even money on this one. Come back on this position. Take my even money.
Let me double check. Now they said they had any bad news today. Let me see. CNBC. Let me see if they said anything. S&P 500 and Nasdaq falls as chips sell off. Yields rise after job reports. Oh yeah, what today? What came out today? The job.
Jobs reports
came
came
out today. The report came out. Yep, employment situation. Yep. That's what came out. Yep, payroll rose by 172,000 in May, more than expected. Unemployment at 4.3%. Yep, that's what caused it. So yeah.
When's the first FOMC meeting with the new guy?
Let me double check. There, I got my little calendar. The next one is coming up. Let me see. Fed's right here.
I can't miss that meeting. I want to watch it.
We got 12 days to go. That's gonna be next date is that the 17th? Yeah, next one is the 17th, boss.
Okay.
Yep, got 12 days to go. It's showing us and counting. 12 days for the FOMC. Oh, we're going to have the new guy in, huh? Forgot about that, too. Walsh.
Yeah, I think that's going to be his first FOMC stuff, right?
Yeah, it's going to be his first one. Yep. Damn, I'm Miss JP. Miss calling out his ties. Yep, so that's what's striking fear in the market right now, Nadia. Yep, the job reports. That's what's causing fear.
Yo, Oracle, do you want to know how much you would have made with $1,000? Is Oracle still here?
We just hit PLTR 137.70. My bottoms.
How much?
You would be at 120% now. 130, 156.
I've been waiting on this Palantir for a while.
Yep, I was about to hit you up, Fever, and ask you if you was, yep, it hit my bottoms so far. Why is my charts delaying?
Well, now you know who to hire, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, I noticed my charts are delaying on this damn thing.
He said, now I know this fucker.
Let me refresh it. I'm going to have to refresh my damn thing. Because I noticed it's like my 5-minute time frames are like behind. Alright, there go that pullback, and there go that next leg down on SPY we talked about. Aiming for my target area, guys, if you're still on puts. 747.
What was the bottom touch? 744.55 on SPY, right? What was that bottom?
Let me double check. Let me see. Bottoms.
747.55, yeah, okay.
I got, let me see.
We're going to 746.
Yeah.
No, 745.80, but 746. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, are you in your shorts right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Fine.
I see. Oh, Primo. I just noticed something too. Look, do you think? What is this? What date is this? This is May 25th, boss. Do you think it's setting up for a gap fill on the downside? Look at SPY dated for the 25th, boss. You see where they had that gap up? That was in what was that? After hours? What they what's that doing the weekend we had that gap up? Have you noticed that on the 25th, like the 22nd going into the 25th? They had like a gap up right there. So do you think it can fill that gap fill down towards like 744?
$7.44.
Yeah, that's right there. That's right. That was on the 22nd. You had those bottoms.
Yeah.
You know
I don't think it could go that low. There's no fucking way.
What? No. Okay. Look. Hallway. Primo. Look at your 1 hour time frame. So you notice.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. So if you notice, if you look on your 1 hour time frame, all we doing is making a big ass cup, a big inverted cup, and you notice those bottoms is right at 747.27, right? Right where we at. That'll close out the cup. Now we cracked that 747.27. Y'all notice right where we had that gap fill. That was dated for the 22nd of May, going into the 25th. They had like a gap up. Like right where it started, like around 744 up towards the 750s. So you think it could be filling that gap fill back down possibly?
I mean, I could see what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
45.
Yeah, because we created, because we right at we closing out that big cup right at around 747.27.
Yeah, in the meantime, if you see VIX is like forming a nice cupping handle right now, so it's about a pop.
Yep.
So
because you remember hardware what I told you. I said if VIX gets above that 1666, that it has a lot of room to go up, and if it does, it's gonna cause SPY to go on a huge pull back down. Another pull coming.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to scare anybody, but what I see on the SPY, if we're not holding 745.80, the next level is a really big one. It's 742.80. 742.80.
So yeah, right now we're at that bottom base, right at 740, right around that 747.27 area. See if that's gonna hold first, because we back down to those bottoms again.
I don't know, man.
We cracked that. It's going down. It's gonna go even harder because that area. Because if you notice, that 747.27 area held up as a strong support at one point. But if we crack that, it's gonna turn to resistance, and that means more of a flush is coming.
Yeah.
So that's gonna. So right now that 747 is gonna be key, fellas. That's gonna be key for the day. If you stay on top of it, yes, we can see a strong bounce back up. But if we crack that, more downside is coming.
My God. Have you seen NVIDIA?
Because you already got PLTR underneath that 137.70, so it's going on this second leg down towards 736.
What do we
Wait,
say?
Primo, is NVIDIA under 209?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. It's at 208.50.
Shit.
Yeah, it didn't
It's
fail.
gonna hit the 206.
Oh yeah, it didn't fail already.
It's gonna go to towards 206.80.
Fever, are you still in PLTR puts? I don't know if he's still on. But yeah, because he was on the put side, so we didn't crack
No, I'm still here.
137.70.
I'm still in it, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so we didn't crack that. So if you notice that range of Fever that we were in on PLTR, the tops is 139.42, the bottoms was 137.70. Now you didn't crack that. Now you turning that area to resistance. Now you're gonna put a possible next leg down if they don't get back on top of 137.70. We can see a second red candle to the downside.
So where do you think support is right here?
Yeah,
136.57.
yeah, because that 137.70, that's where we had that bounce earlier, where we bounced off of that twice, but now we're underneath it. So if we don't get back above that price point, we could be aiming for the next leg down. So watch that level to see if we're gonna stay underneath it.
Primo, I'm just fighting everyone
Yeah,
then.
SPY, yeah,
I'm
we had a
fucking
crucial,
fighting
yeah, SPY,
everyone right now.
yeah, we definitely at a crucial level right here. So if they can hold at 47.27 on SPY, I mean, yeah, we can see a bounce back up because they're gonna buy in back up because that'll be a little demand zone right here. But if we crack it, it's going down harder. It's gonna go way, way harder. So here come your buyers coming in right here. There you go, your bounce. See, 747.27. They go buyers trying to step in right here. Demand zone.
I'm one of them.
Nice.
Brother, I'm fighting the market right now.
So let's see if they're gonna buy it back up because this will be a good little area for them to try to buy back up. But let's see if we have enough buying volatility though. That's the only thing that sucks though right now. Hardware is just that buying volatility today is just horrible.
Brother, who are you fucking kidding?
Yeah,
I
that's the
cannot
only
believe
thing.
I'm back to this nonsense right now.
Like I said, based off the blue chips, everything is in the red except Apple, and Apple's at a 0.7%. That's the only thing. Because the minute that gives away, that's a wrap. Because the only thing that's holding it up right now on Apple is that 313. Buyers found a way to hold above that price point. So, Phoebe, what you want to see right here, boss? As we bounce back up towards that 137.70 on PLTR, you want to see a bull trap setting up. Because they're going to try to bounce, but you want to trap them right here. You don't want those buyers getting back above that price point. You want to trap them right here. How far can, let me see, what's the lows on PLTR? How low can it go? If we do go for another leg down. Let me see. Because right now you're getting that bounce on SPY right at that level where we bounced at the end of May. So that's that the inverted cup bottoms right there. That's why you're getting a bounce. But if you crack it, you got another drop coming. Gonna put you even lower.
It could be a big drop, and also on top of that, the upside is everything could get swallowed back up. And the key level to the upside is going to be 749.75 area.
Yeah.
Just a heads up. I mean, the only reason why I'm not on the short side, Primo, is my guys are hedging their positions right now. They're snowballing their. I don't know why. I'm kind of curious though. I mean, I should ask them. Why are they in such a big call position starting at this level, though? Because I see both ends. I see the story on both ends. The bottom side is on, obviously, the short side is winning. Obviously, that's confirmed. But if buyers take back control, I mean, I don't know why they're aiming for like 749.75, where they should have aimed for like 748.65 area. It's just they're just being a little greedy. I mean, I'm just man, I'm in a dilemma.
Now, Fever, your PLTR areas on the downside is gonna be if this bull trap commences, your areas on the downside is gonna be 136 to 134.
Yeah, I'm slick tired holding this contract.
Yeah, so now you see that bull trap getting set up, right? You see what I was talking about on the 5? As soon as they ran back up towards that 137.70, remember I told you about that bull trap? There you go.
You're a little bit impatient. Next leg.
Nah, it's just because the volatility just sucks today. Yeah, because with that job data and it just sucks. It just sucks because you still got buyers still trying to fight, but I mean they're getting overpowered by sellers right now. But it's still aiming for the downside. I mean, because you
I mean, downside is 100% winning for sure.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, because if you notice, Feeve, on PLTR, you got a bear flag set up, clear bear flag set up on that one. So it may be working on the second leg down after
the downside is the move.
So your targets on the downside is 136, 134. SPY, look for that 140, that 747.27. Watch that. They're gonna try to test it again. Yeah, it's definitely weak right now. So yeah, the sellers have it, guys. I mean, ain't no point of fighting against that right now. Sellers definitely have it on everything. The market is in the red. I say let them have it, unless you want to join the short side. So I'm gonna mark off PLTRs. 136 gonna be one. Get a stronger pullback on that. I haven't even jumped into play yet because it's just been that volatility is just horrible right now.
It is, man. The volatility is insane.
Yeah.
And then, and the other crazy part is, wait, what happened?
We're about to go down. It's fine.
About to soon hit my target. I mean,
We're about to fly.
but keep in mind too, that's an arrow
Wait,
buy.
is that Primo?
Yes, sir.
Is that Primo's things?
Yes, sir. Friday, buddy.
Let's see if we're gonna get that next red candle down underneath that 140 that 47.27, Primo. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm out of my PL2.
That'd be the
I'm with
second.
that.
That'd be the second red candle down. Where we at with VIX? Oh yeah, VIX. Oh yeah, remember what I told you? Because VIX is at 1674. We're above that 1666. I told y'all we get above that, sky's the limit. I told y'all we get above 1666. SPY's gonna be getting ready to pull even harder. So we could see that area we talked about. Well, it could go for that gap fill on the downside. So it's a possibility.
Yeah.
Strong possibility.
Yeah, it's about to drop 107. It's 10 cents
Yeah, here we
away.
go. About to hit my target.
No.
47.27. Here we go. About to hit it. Right to it.
Yo, Fiva, your Palantir is not moving at all?
I mean,
It was. I got out right there.
Well, it's still. Well, the thing about it is, it's still standing up on the downside. It was just that it fell out of that consolidation. Now you're underneath, so I mean, more downside should be coming on Palantir.
I was getting theta chops, so I was like, man. Remember,
Bam,
I got
target.
it around 10:30.
Here you go, but hit my target, 47.27. Right to it. Let's see if it's gonna hit it.
46 coming
It's
up.
right to it. 47.27. Let me see what they're gonna do. They're gonna either bounce or they're gonna crack it. Let's see what's about to happen. Right on it. Right on it.
Mm-hmm.
What was this? Bam! Hit it. 47.27. Hit it. It hit it. Oh, I know. I forgot to set my my sound effect. That's why I didn't. Bam! I told y'all. 47.27, baby. I told y'all. 47.27. Closed out that inverted cup.
746.
Now the
How much
question
were
is,
I made?
now the question is it gonna close below it or is it gonna close back on top? Let's see what's about to happen. If it closes below it, more downside is coming, and we could see that 744, possible 744. Here's a possibility. So they could commence that gap fill down, and that bad boy is still bleeding off. Cool. Tesla still bleeding down to 400 that I've called out. 400 down to 395, possible 395. There goes
Bingo.
I told you. I told Primo what I told you. I told you.
Bingo.
There go this
Yeah, I
spy
want
bleed off. I told him.
Okay.
Look at that.
I told him.
680.
Good thing I brought that to your attention, Primo, about that gap fill.
680. Yeah. Yeah. But I posted earlier. If you
Oh,
see
okay.
My post is actually 745.
So there go that stronger pull.
One more.
Those sellers
Onward, did you
coming
get out the
in,
calls,
boy.
bro?
They coming in aggressive. So
No, I'm out. I'm
So
out.
Fever, watch for that possible those sellers to possibly come in soon. Let's see.
Howard, if you wanna
That's crazy.
One
Now we down
goes.
to. I told y'all. That
You have
bleed
to
up.
wait for 745.80.
That's crazy. I saw that possible gap fill. I say, man, wait a minute. I see something. That's why I had to bring it to you guys' attention.
There you go. One more drop. I want to see 145. I mean 745.
All right, Fever. Let's see if we setting up this next bull trap for that next leg down. Let's see. We aiming. Our target is gonna be for 136. It's just slow, but we are still getting there.
Here it is. Coming up. Here it is.
Slow. Because you already got Spy doing this thing back down towards 746. So that's bleeding off to that target area I just talked
Here
about.
it is.
There go your gap fill, baby.
Damn, Oracle.
I told you.
Oracle. You would have made bank.
I told you.
Damn, Oracle, you would have made bank.
Here it is.
I've been in puts
How
this
much?
whole time. I'm not going.
How much would
I
I
just
been
went
up?
out. I just got out.
Let's see. Let me see. Let me look at that gap fill. Let me see. Let me check it out right now. Where we at? Let me go to Spy. That's why I had to alert you guys, because I noticed that. I was like, man, hold up. I see a possible gap fill. So down to 146. Damn,
We were holding
hold
our
on.
morning short.
Could it fall all the way back down to that pivot point?
Think about it.
Crazy.
I ain't gonna even tell y'all what that pivot point is. I'm talking about Spy. Damn. And I'm talking about even lower.
Here it is.
If it cracks, I'm gonna just say it. If it cracks 745, you do have room to fall all the way back down to the 740s. Now, if y'all looking at my live stream, you can see why I'm calling that out. Cause notice, if y'all looking at my live stream and y'all looking at my chart, you're falling out of that range. You're falling out of this range. Where that green line is.
Oracle,
you're
you
cracking.
watching?
Yeah.
So yeah, Oracle, you see my chart, boss?
No, I'm not in the live. Hold on.
Okay. So notice my chart. I got. If you go to my live stream right now, look at my setup on Spy I have right now, and look what it's doing. Primo, you see it? You see that it's cracking out of that range? Look. It's not bouncing on that green line anymore. It's not falling out of the range towards the downside. You see that? It's falling out of it.
Yeah.
Yep, look at that. It's falling out of that. And it cracked that green line that it normally will bounce on top of. Now it cracked it, falling out of this big range now towards the downside. So that look where that pivot point is at, boss. Down towards 740. Back down towards the 740 area. Where you have another inverted cup coming in. Right this way. And even a bigger one. Damn.
Pull you a little bit, or try to pull the fastness out.
740.
Jeez Louise.
1, 2.
That is insane.
This is where the flat
Yeah, that's
screwdriver
insane.
comes in handy. You pop.
So
the
let's see
fairing
what's about
rod.
to happen. Let's see if they're going to set up a
Push it
trap,
to the
a
side.
bull trap right here.
You will close the
After they
connection right
bounce
here.
up,
for
another
your
bull trap.
transformer.
Let's see.
If are you changing transmission? What's going on over there?
Hey.
All right, I am done officially. I'm
Shout
done.
out Primo. Shout out to you, boss. Shout out to you also, Oracle.
You guys have a great day. I'll come back later on to buy some long-term stuff.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
what I'm
Primo,
waiting
you going on?
Yep,
You
I'm
going
waiting
on
that too.
vacation when? You
Yep.
going on vacation this week or next week?
Next week.
Next week, okay.
I'm gonna be in Monday, but starting Tuesday, I'm out for 2 weeks. But I mean, I'll watch the market in and out. But
Where are you going, Primo?
I'm gonna stop by Dallas, Vegas, just around here. Vegas. I might come to Cali for a couple days, but I'm gonna spend most of the time in Vegas.
Jeez, look at Tesla. Holy crap, that thing just bleeding right now.
Howard, let's see you. Take care.
See you, Primo.
All right, boss. Have a good one, man. Thank you so much for coming through the live too as well. Appreciate you.
Yep. Bye.
All right, boss. God, Tesla got room to fall all the way back down to damn near 394, 395 towards these bottoms. Still bleeding off. Jeez, Lord.
Yo, Oracle, are you watching this?
Damn, holy shit.
Oracle, are you watching this?
Oh, it's fucking, those yos are insane.
Hey, Oracle, what I said could possibly happen, right, boss? Didn't I say that next set of sellers was coming in? Second batch of sellers.
Oh my God.
Oh, bro, did it glitch on you?
That's crazy.
Oh, just shit. Damn.
Wait, Oracle, how much was that? How much was that?
I think it was, what, 6.9?
Right?
Yo.
Go.
I'm done. I'm out.
It's not.
You should have done one more. Back-to-back 12s.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for.
Nah, shout out to you, Milf. You did call it out too, boss.
Don't.
Yeah, still bleeding off. I mean, it's still
Shit.
Oracle.
So,
Man, it's
just hang your
it's-
a little bit.
Oracle's right
downside.
now. Or everything's right with Oracle. No one get Oracle shit anymore.
This motherfucker. You heard that, guys?
Fastness. Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna reload this roll one more last roll. Oh my God, dude! Do you know how crazy this past
Let me double
those
check
were?
that, I think it's
Yeah.
744.
What is that?
744?
5?
Let me see. I think it is. Let me go back. Where's these highs at?
All right. Hey Jay, I'll be back later this afternoon too. Okay.
All right, boss. Appreciate you for coming through.
All right.
Cool. Holy crap! I see an even big inverted cup on the 1 hour. Holy, on how far it can still go back down to. Jeez Louise. I see 745. That'll be one area, and then back down towards the 740s would be the second area. So I'm gonna mark that off. That'll be the areas here. We'll mark off 2 areas. 745 for sure. Go ahead and put that in place. And 740, what was that, 92? And this one right here, 740, 92 will be the next one. Holy crap. That's crazy to read this on how to just to see this. Alright, cool, 92. Wow, so I got 2 alerts on SPY on the downside. I got 45 and 40. So let me see where we at right now. 1 hour time frame. What time does camera close out? In about 12 minutes. Yep, and I told you guys, I told everybody, I alerted everybody. I said we got a possible bear flag setting up. There go your bear flag. And I told you got a possible second leg coming in. There go your second leg. So I warned everybody. 2-legged pullback on SPY. There you go. 2-legged pullback, baby.
Yeah, Jay, I've been in puts this whole time, just sitting back, watching, sweating. I ain't gonna lie.
No. I mean, I saw it coming because, and I had a feeling we were gonna see more downside, boss. Due to the fact is what definitely hurt the market today was the job report. That's what really hurt the market, and a lot of these sellers took advantage of it. That's why you got more of a sell-off happening.
Yeah, but with the volatility, it's just like.
Well, what did you get in at, boss? What was the price point?
I got inputs at 749 earlier. This was.
Oh yeah,
I was doing shorts.
Yeah. So basically, all it did, I'll put it to you like this: all it did was that if you missed that drop, after the drop, all it did was consolidate. That was it. So you jumped into the
Yeah,
consolidation.
that was what it was. That
Yeah,
consolidation
the
period.
consolidation. And because all
I
it was
was
doing,
like right in the middle of that drop when I hopped in, and then I ran into that consolidation.
yeah,
and
that's what it was.
Like,
So yeah, because like I tell everybody, anytime you see either a big move up or a big move down, the next phase is consolidation because it's setting up for the next thing. So all it did was after it made a big drop on SPY at the early morning, all it did was set up for consolidation, setting up for the next leg. That's why I was telling you. I said look for a possible bull trap, and I told you your main price point was gonna be 749.50. I said after that, underneath 749.50, you're dropping.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Now, do I still think more downside is coming? Oh yeah, you definitely still got more downside because as I told Hardware and Primo, you have a possible potential gap fill on the downside. What chart? Oh, that's was it on my 1 hour chart?
No, yeah. I just hopped back in on puts just to grab any scraps like earlier kind of like 35%.
Yeah, so you got a possible gap fill that could take place, boss. That could go down even lower, down to between the 746 to 744s.
Okay, cool. Yeah, this is a fantastic Friday.
Yep, and look like they setting up for another bull trap, and they're gonna possibly go for another leg down.
Yeah, another leg down. Yeah.
So watch it 746. So we want to crack 746 to go down toward that 745 area. So watch that 746 real quick because you're gonna have some buyers trying to hold it up. But if you don't have enough buyers, sellers gonna come in and take them out and pull down underneath that one. So that's the next area we need to take out, 746. So as of now, you're gonna be in a range of 746 and that 747.27 area I called out before. You're gonna be in that little range.
Okay.
So it pretty much gonna ping pong back and forth until it makes a true decision out of that range. So right now you can see you're bouncing right at 746. So you got some buyers trying to buy in, but watch as we go up towards that 747.27. So just watch it. But I do expect more downside coming.
Yeah, it's looking like it's setting up for downside.
Yeah. So watch. Let me see. Are you on my live?
Not right now.
Okay,
I need to go get.
I'll just take a screenshot. I'm gonna show you what I see.
No, because I can get on it from.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna show you what I see, boss, on my 1 hour time frame, on why I say more downside is coming. Then you can see my setup real quick. Watch this. Let me minimize it again. Bam.
Actually.
So yeah, tell me when you're on it, boss.
All right. Oh.
And I'm gonna break it down.
Second.
I'm gonna put it off to the side. Let me know when you're on. I'm gonna.
All right. Yep, I'm on it.
All right. So notice. So you see my spot chart?
Yep.
Okay. So notice we were in a big range. Let me put my pen back to white. So notice we were in a big range before, where we was going from like here. See that? Where every time you come around that green trend line, you bounce, and every time you get around that red trend line, you pull back. So notice what happened was now going this way, you created a downtrend, started creating lower highs, and then you wind up cracking that green line, crossing from the bullish side of that green line now to the bearish side. You notice that?
Yeah, okay,
So you're no longer bouncing on that green trend line anymore. So remember, like I said, every time you get on that green trend line, that was normally the bouncing opportunity to buy back up. But now you didn't crack that. And also you didn't crack out of this channel. So also what I see is 3 inverted cups setting up on the downside. So if you notice the big one right here, you got this big one with the bottom base all the way back down this way. Move my chart over a little bit. God dog it. There we go. Bam. So notice we closed out one cup right here down towards the 47.27. So you notice that we closed out that cup. That's done. That was done.
Yeah.
Now you crack that 747.27. You got room to fall back down towards that pivot point, which is going to be around 740. Now the reason why I said 740 is because if you look at right here on this chart, oops, that's why I can't see it. God dang it. Yeah, right here. You had an old area that held up a strong resistance. See that?
Yeah.
So basically,
Okay,
you go
yes.
right across the board. You could be pulling back down to this bad boy like a magnet to retest it. So that means you got to bypass
Gotcha.
747.27, which we already did. Now, next level is going to be 745s down to the 740s. That's going to close out that bigger cup. So have you noticed that?
Okay. Yeah.
So that's where we at right now. So inverted cup number one.
Okay. Yeah.
So we closed out this one already. So now being underneath that, now we got to focus on the prices below that down this way. That's going to be down towards 740. That's going to close out that cup. And if we crack 740, then you got cup number 3, which is going to be all the way back down towards the 7. Yeah, now you get it.
Goodness. Yeah. Now I see it now. Like, cause my chart, I don't have my like yours. Like,
yeah.
But with that, yes, pointing it out like that, is way different. I see it.
So all we doing, boss, is going right back down to all these old past levels this way. So all we doing is going back to retest these levels. That's it. So 747, which is what I called out to you guys today. So we closed that one out because we cracked that one. Now we have to focus back down this way. And the reason why I got 740 was because, like as I stated, that was an old top area right here before the breakout. So you just take that top, go right across the board because again, resistance can turn into what? Support. Because think about it.
Yep.
Yeah, once you got above that price point and later on, it turned into support and look, you went on a bigger move towards the upside. So notice we could possibly pull back to that bad boy like a magnet in due time where you're going to close out another cup that way. So, you see?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. And yep. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, buddy. And also, like I said, you can also look at that as buying opportunities too. So not only sell off targets when you pull back down to and take your profits, you can also look at these areas for possible bouncing opportunities as well. So if those levels hold as we touch them, that could be an opportunity to buy in back up to the upside. So you can take those price points into consideration.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that'll be a target on the downside of you selling it. Yeah, where you can take profits, but it can also be an area where you can buy in for a possible strong bounce back up. Because all we doing, Oracle, is playing off of psychological levels. That's it. Psychological levels. Because buyers know, like the big buyers, they know exactly what. But let me go back to my chart real quick.
Yeah.
To show you for example. So look right here for example. So buyers know exactly what to buy in. And they know exactly where to go in for sales. So all you're doing is focusing on the strongest areas where you'll see majority of sellers stepping in and where you'll see majority of buyers stepping in. Because all you're doing is kind of following what they're doing because they're buying off these levels for a reason. They're seeing potentials off of these levels. So if they see potential, then that can be potential for us as well. So again, notice.
Yeah.
So then notice, as I stated right here, let me highlight this little box. Right about here. Let me mark it off in blue. I'm gonna mark it off in. I'm put yellow. Let me highlight this in yellow real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. I put in yellow. Yeah. So notice, okay. What was once resistance. So you see how powerful that price point was, right? That was 749.53. Look on how powerful that pullback was, right? So that means it was a strong sell-off. Now notice when you got on top of it. That bad boy turned into strong support, and then they utilize that same area to go up to another level that way. So notice the psychological areas. So all you're doing is taking that area. Let me make a duplicate copy, and going down to this other strong psychological area. Now you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So notice the psychology behind it. Notice the psychological areas of strong support. Notice the psychology behind strong resistance, because even when you came up here right here, you had a little pullback. Where you had a sell-off, but then once we got above that area, now buyers utilize that for support. Said notice, once I move over, notice they bounced off that same exact area. Look, once we reclaim this area, notice as we came right here. What was your bounce at? What was your bounce at, boss? Notice.
Where's that?
You see my chart? You notice my chart right here, right around that 749.53. You notice that?
Oh, okay, yeah.
So look, so pay close attention. Let me see if I can stretch out a little bit so you can see it. So notice all they did was take that same area. I might have to minimize it. So right where I got it in yellow. Okay, so you notice. Okay, so you notice right here the 753. Let me highlight it. This little red area. So notice it was a strong resistance, right? At one point, that 749.53. Okay, so notice on my time frame when we got on top of that 749.53, what did the buyers come in at? Didn't they not turn that old resistance now into strong support?
Yeah, I
So
see.
notice,
Yeah, because
so notice you had a strong bounce right there, right? So you went all the way from 749.53 all the way up to how high did we go? All the way up towards the 760s. Now notice, if you missed that opportunity right here, you had another opportunity as we came back down to retest it again. So notice, after we had that dump off from 760s all the way back down, what did that bounce occur? Wasn't that not 749.53?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I
So you
see
go right
exactly.
across the board. So
Yeah.
if you miss this strong move up and you don't want to chase, all you have to do is wait for that pull back down to that same exact area. What did your buyers psychologically come in at? 749.53. 749.53.
7 Yeah.
Exactly. See that?
Seven-
All you're doing is taking
the same
psychological
areas,
errors,
yeah.
the strongest errors, and play off of them. That's it.
Okay.
That's
All right.
all.
Yeah.
That's all I do
Got you.
is figure out my setups, the breakout areas, and knowing that we could turn certain areas, from resistance to support or vice versa, and play off of them. That's it. So now being underneath 747.27 now. So now we can utilize that for what? For what now? Oracle. What can we use it for now?
Well, it's crucial, but
I'm crucial. I'm sorry. So yeah.
No,
so
you
that
good,
area,
you good.
not that we underneath it. How can we utilize it now? Like if we get a bounce back up, how can we utilize it now? Because now that it could be considered a bull trap, right? Because because notice the market has turned. The market is no longer holding. It's going down. So everything that was once support is now resistance. So that means that if that bad boy was to get a bounce back up that way, now it could be a possible, and I'm going to draw it out real quick. Now it could be utilized for a bull trap on the downside. So if they get a bounce back up, this could basically now be a bull trap where they can trap them and now go for the next leg down. Now you get it?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, because I see all the levels.
Yeah, because it's no longer strong. It's no longer supported because we're underneath that strong support. Now they're gonna take advantage of it and turn it into resistance. So instead of being an area where it could be a bad trap, for the move back up. Now the fact that we fell underneath it, now we can reverse it to now where it could be a bad trap for the next move on down, which is gonna give you that continuation sell off from where we started from these tops, creating lower highs, and just get you back down to these targeted areas back down that way, which will be closing out another cup. Now you get it, boss?
Yeah, no, I got it. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So all you're doing now, the fact is, with that job report coming out now, and I'm speaking about it on the downside. Now, if things were positive, on the upside, this is what we should have done. Now, everything was positive. We should have held on top of this trend line for the move back up towards the upside that way to retest the 660s. Then we would have continued and stay within that range, that channel. However, with the news being negative, we wind up falling out of that range because that strong green trend line is no longer support. Because notice, that was a psychological area at one point. Because every time we would come down to that green trend line, you would bounce. Green trend line, you would bounce. But notice, that sell-off was too heavy. We wound up cracking, now turning that trend line no longer into a bullish standpoint, now into a bearish because you crossed it. So anytime you were on top of the green trend line, you were bullish because you had room to bounce and go back up. But notice we're underneath it now, going from the bullish side of things now to the bearish side of things because of that trend line.
Yeah.
Now that's going to be resistance. So now we have to focus on the downside of that until we find a strong area this way to find a way to bounce our way back up to the upside. So now the hunt, so basically we're in a hunt for finding a strong support that's going to allow us to bounce our way back up to the
Yeah.
So that's it.
So like in those, because so in this, like, what would be your next, I guess, like, some level for
support?
Yeah.
So as we looking at my chart right now,
current downtrend in
SPY, yeah.
Yeah. So okay, so the next level that the next strongest psychological level I do see, boss, that will be around 740. Now the reason why is because again, all you're doing is taking an old resistance, go right across the board, and you're trying to utilize that for support.
And yeah, that's part of my issue too. I got to start looking like a little bit more back.
And boss, that's all I do is take the past chart history to understand the psychology behind it. Because as I tell everybody, the market is 90% psychology, 10% strategy. So it's psychological price points.
I definitely recognize.
Yeah, because that's all it is.
Yeah.
Because if you notice, when we go on certain moves, when you see SPY going on a rip out of nowhere, and it's just like, and everybody like, damn, man, why is the SPY doing this? SPY's man rocking it. They have to realize they're pulling up to a certain price target. And once that target is hit, then they sell it off. Because notice, 760, you hit once, you hit twice. Once that target was met, then what happened? You sold off, right? Same thing right here. You hit the 750, you hit the 758. Once that target was met, you sold off. So notice it's psychological levels. Yeah. Once those areas are met and they take positions, that's it. Same thing on the downside. When you pull them back on down, once you hit, because it's once they pull into a certain targeted area where they know it could 9 times out of 10 hold up for support, they get out. But it's just psychological plays. They play. That's all it is.
Yeah, it is. It's very.
It's just psychology, boss. Like watch. So notice. So notice right here, psychological area. What did you bounce? Psychological area. What did you get rejected? Psychological. Look at that. Look. See that? You see my circles?
Hey, let me go grab. Yeah, I'm looking now.
So notice that all they did was take an area that was once resistance that you couldn't break, turn it right into support, right into this little consolidation, getting right back on top of that 749.53, shot right back on up. Then if you miss that opportunity, you came right back to that same exact area. You bounce with another bounce in that same psychological area. Now you see it?
I see it. Literally
it's just psychological plays. That's it. That's it. Because what messes up a lot of people, they get caught into the choppiness of it. But what they're not focusing on is the true areas. They're not focusing on they're not focusing on something like this. They're not focusing on something like this. The true areas as you're getting up to it. That's what it is. They're not looking at the overall. They're not looking at the overall.
No, because I'm definitely a victim of that a lot. The bull traps, the bear traps, they catch me. Like not what I would say beginning wise. I'm kind of not falling for it anymore, but I will say that was a big issue of mine, like the bull and bear traps.
Yeah. No, I get it, boss. And then notice, like looking at my chart. Look, all you did after you got rejected the first time. You see where my arrow is right here, boss. Okay, all you did was once you fell from that area, you found a support. You bounced off that green trend line. You found your way back to that same exact area. Wind up breaking through that area, consolidating, and then going into the next area. You see that? All it did was create, and all it did create, it just created the left side of that mountain. That means that's bullish. Now, once you hit a certain area, now you're going to the right side of the mountain, which is now what? Bearish, giving you what? A cup. A big cup.
Yeah.
That's it. So that's it, boss. It's just psychological plays and understanding those patterns. And once you get the hang of it, it's clear selling from there. Notice,
one day I'll learn how to chart
my real chart. What are we pulling back down to, boss? Isn't it not where my alert is sitting at? 745? Right where that candle's pointing down to?
One day, Jay, I'll chart like you. I want to learn from you.
And look, all I did, Jay, how did you figure out this area right here? All I did was take. You see what we had this high of day at, where we had this huge upper shadow on my chart. Right here, where I got my mouse at. You see it? Crucial.
Yep.
Okay. All I did was take that high of day, because that's a psychological area, and go right across the board and look what we pulling down to. And we not pulling to a psychological area.
These are good lessons to learn, man. Soak this in.
So are we not pulling to a psychological area down towards that 745, based off of what its high day is? Boom. And look, right down to 745.
Holy shit! It's what the fuck happened?
Yeah. Okay.
Right to that high day. All you do, even
Yeah.
you can also look at your chart on the 1 hour. That was data for May 20th. May 20th, where we had that huge spike. We ran up towards the high of day. High was the high 744.79. So all we do is pull into that same psychological area. That's it. Notice what we're doing right now. Notice where we at right now. 745, 741. We're not too far from that psychological area that we hit that day. That's it. We pull into that psychological area. It's psychology. And look, and now that I'm back on my normal chart on my 5-minute time frame, look at my area. Look at my mark. You see it?
Yeah.
That's crazy how it's pulling exactly to the mark that I put.
The same. Yeah.
It's just
And
psychology.
even still, yeah, it is. I see.
Wait, Critical, you're out of your puts, right? You
Yeah,
cashed out?
I just grabbed my last little bits of scraps, like literally like a minute ago.
God.
But I signed
What do
my.
you mean little bit of scraps? Oh yeah, you had a couple of runners.
Yeah, no, I hopped out. I did get scary down, so I hopped back in with the last little, like, I only had like 1,000 left, so I just
Hey,
used that.
so just make sure. I mean, I'll talk to you offline on the side, but
Okay, sorry.
I'll switch your account back to margin now. I don't know. I'll tell you. Actually,
Oh, okay. You did tell me. No, you did tell me.
Yo, Jay, I'll be right back. Okay.
All right, boss. Got you. So, okay. So, guys, I'm gonna ask y'all. With the new margin account change, what's the limitation now? Was it you gotta have what is it $2,000? And underneath you still have what, the 3-day round trips? Crucial, Oracle, anybody is that how the new margin is working? Oh, I think he put them off to a private. My bad, guys. I think he put them off to a private call. So yeah, I'm all right just by myself. But yeah, so keep it on watch. And you see how I broke everything down, guys, to a science on the thought processes. Look how it's bouncing perfectly right off my line. Look how it's bouncing perfectly off my line. Now, do I think that level's gonna hold? I still think that we may see more downside coming until we hit that. Because again, guys, until we hit that psychological level, then we can definitely see a huger response. I think this is gonna be a little temporary bounce where we're gonna go back up. And keep in mind, guys, all we're doing is we now turn this area that was once support now to resistance. That could be now a bull trap. So even if they go for a bounce back up, watch this level where they could get piled up at and retested. What the hell was that? Y'all saw that? What the hell? What the? What was that? Jeez. Y'all saw that quick spike that just happened? Had a quick spike up right to my price point, 49.53, then right back down. That was crazy. What the hell was that? Let me put the music back on too until they get back in, guys. I'm gonna put the music back up. Turn it up a little bit. Alright, just a little bit. Alright, cool. I just put up a little bit for the music. Now, do I think we're gonna crack this on down? Yes. Your psychological area. Remember I told you guys all the way back down towards 740. Remember I told you guys this. See this? Crack that 745. If we can get this crack, then look all this space to come back down for the next leg going down. This way. Towards the psychological area, towards 740. So once we get this crack, got room to come back down towards that way. That's gonna put you down, guys, right around that 742 to 740. So that means more downside could be coming. So let you guys know. Same thing for LTR. Come out of this consolidation. We cracked this level where we at. I do think that we could still see more downside towards some 136, 134. So while we're keeping everything on watch, let me go over the talking points on why I wasn't here yesterday, guys, ladies. What the? I know you saw that, huh? You saw that. It looked like a misprint. I mean, don't get me wrong, the market is still pointing down. So don't get fooled by that. It was just a misprint, but the market is still facing down. So it's still downside coming.
All right, I think Oracle is gone now. So can we push the market up a little bit, Jay? Can we push it up?
This is gonna be a thin area, but if we crack 45, remember Oracle and Lucky. Remember I told you guys your next level was what? You remember that pivot area? 740. That's gonna be your true area where you can definitely see a possible stronger bounce. So I think once we crack this
market, dude,
so I think
the amount of money that the market just gave back today is fucking crazy.
Yeah, but boss, I think once we crack this 45 down, I think your true area where your majority of your buyers gonna really try to step in is gonna be down towards that 740.
Yeah, I mean, but Jay, if you really like just zoom out and just see how much today was, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Roughly almost $10.
That is a lot.
Yeah, roughly almost $10.
Bruh, $10 in SPY is huge, man.
Shit, that ain't shit compared to what Tesla and them did. Tesla went on a damn near $20 drop. Damn near $20 or $25 drop.
Tesla's what? It hit under
about 25,
400
almost
now,
$25.
right? 399?
Yeah, about $25 drop. If it goes all the way down to if it goes all the way down to 395, that's gonna be a $30 drop. Because if you start from 25, where you fell at, down to where we at, right now it's 25, and then from 400 to 395, that's gonna be $30 drop. That's gonna be a $30 pullback. Insane. Now, as I was telling y'all, like I said, Oracle and Lucky, I think the true areas is gonna be all the way back down towards the SPY's gonna be my SPY just hit 745. True area is gonna be around like I said, 742 down to 740, because that's your old area, old pivotal area. So I think we may start to see buyers step in right around 740,
Brother,
742.
if it does hit the 740 area that you're talking, do you know how crazy like the market's gonna be now after that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is, I mean, like, if we're talking that level, if that happens, we're talking.
I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you another
even
reason why too. Hardware. Why the market did that? If you go to your 5-year chart, your RSI you was overextended. The market was overbought, so you're coming back down, and it's a lot of room to come back down to.
Yeah, brother, we're talking like 728.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Levels,
you got a lot of room to
bro.
fall.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Cause I'm looking at my 5-year chart right now, and the RSI was we was hitting right around like 77 to a 70 on the RSI. So yeah, it definitely got overbought. Definitely overbought. I honestly think.
Crazy.
I mean, if we have a huge sell-off, I honestly think it go down to back down to 700. I honestly think we go down to 700. Cause you way overbought. Cause you gotta remember, guys, we were just in the 600 ranges a while back, and we blasted off into like these areas. So without no major pullbacks, yeah. So you got a lot of room to fall. And especially with everything with the job.
Do you know how many people lost money today?
Whew, I already know. Yeah.
Oh my god. I just looked at the contracts right now. Everyone that was in next week's calls.
Yeah.
Oh my god. RIP to the account.
Yep. I still think I got room to fall down to the 740s. So still think it's gonna fade down there. And what time it is? It's 12 o'clock, so we still fading. And we not even into the second half of the market yet, and we still falling. And Tesla right now, we're at 398. That bad boy's still falling. As I mentioned, guys, I alerted on Tesla was going to be around 395, 394. That still got room to drop. PLTR, still waiting on that 136, 134.
Holy shit, VIX is at almost $18.
I told you guys, did I not tell y'all on VIX if we got above 1666 where it was going? Did I not tell y'all that? Did I say it? Once we get above that, the sky was the limit. It was going up towards, look, and I'll show y'all my proof that I'm not lying. Bam.
VIX
What I told
at
y'all.
$18 right now.
What I
That's
told y'all. If
nuts.
VIX got right above 1666, look at that. I told y'all. Because all your tops is all the way back up towards like $19. That's where all your tops is located. I told y'all. If VIX broke above that, SPY was about to
You know, you know what? At Tesla at this level, I am super interested in backing Tesla now.
Yep, your bottoms is gonna be
Tesla under
right around
400
$3.95.
is juicy.
Yeah, so about $3.95. I think we can still pull back down to it. Oh yeah, I've been watching Tesla because I gave up on SPY. I mean, I kind of started dealing with the bigger blue chips, and I've been trading with them. I've been dealing with Tesla. I'm about to be, I mean, Tesla, Meta, all of them. Damn, the low on that contract was what, 1 cent, and up now 33. Damn, 1,000 shares, you'd have been over like $300 on that. That's crazy. Holy crap.
What? Which one? Which contract?
Tesla. Oh, well, I'm looking at TSLL. But yeah, Tesla, you definitely would have been banking on those. Cause I use TSLL's contracts to trade Tesla, and I be banking on those damn things. Them things, yeah, they be moving.
The TSLL?
Yeah.
What is that? The ETF of it?
Yeah, that's the ETF. Yep. That's like the cheaper version of it.
Guys, everything has went ahead, right? No entry point right now, right?
Not on the long side. Hell no. I wouldn't go long now. Not right now. No. No.
No, I just got login, so just asking
okay.
Is there anything which is?
I mean, you missed the fun.
Right back, guys. Hold on.
Kid.
Gina, you missed all the fun moves today.
My daughter doesn't sleep on her own, and her dad is not here today. And she made me to sit next to her, and I fell asleep. Then all of a sudden, I woke up, and it's like 20 minutes to go to school.
They still at school?
20 minutes, she's ready.
Wait, is she still at school in June?
Yeah, I'm in West Coast. I'm in Gig Harbor, so our summer vacation starts June end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let me know if you find anything, please.
Yeah, I mean, right now, everything's just selling off right now, Queen. I mean, pretty much. Everything's still selling. I mean, it's bad. This is crazy. I know them bounces are coming. Those strong bounces, they coming. But right now, definitely selling off, and that's just due to the job reports. That's definitely what hurt the market today. Job reports are horrible. Ooh, boy, whoever got in on the long side, jeez Louise, especially if they swung that. Oh, we'll put the music back down. Got everybody back on. Turn my music back down. All right, cool. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Yep. So, guys, I'm gonna do for my live stream members, guys. I'm gonna be doing more lessons and stuff, breakdowns, and how to understand the psychology, and I'm gonna be doing that.
Hey Jay, what are we gonna do for lunch?
Watch the market. I'm gonna eat later on. I'm going to fiery crab because them snow crabs are calling my name right now.
Snow crabs, huh?
Yes, sir. Snow crabs. What it comes with? Potatoes, corn, and ball shrimp. I'm in the mood. It's just that type of weather. I'm just in the mood for it. Shit, what's on the menu for today, boss?
Are you gonna stop coming online live after you start your website? on
Well, I already
YouTube?
start. Well, the way I got to do it now, for the members.
No. After you, yeah,
Well,
after
well,
you
well,
start
well, well,
website.
no. Well, actually, what I'm gonna be doing is adding. So, like what I'm gonna do is, 'cause that was another thing doing the meeting yesterday. So I'm gonna have to come on like at 8 o'clock. So basically, I'm gonna have to have an hour private meeting, which like for other members, you'll get like
Mm-hmm.
a YouTube link where we'll have a private meeting for the pre-market breakdowns, like a pre-market prep. And then once that's done, then
Mm-hmm.
I'll go into the regular live stream, regular 9:15ish and so forth.
On YouTube. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll still do YouTube, but the 8 o'clock, the 9 o'clock is going to be a private link, and that's going to only be for members. And that's you're gonna have a link sent to you where you'll have the
Mm-hmm.
the talking points and stuff. And then after the hour is done, then I'll go to doing the regular live stream.
You know what you should do? Because I do sometimes watch TikTok, okay? Because sometimes I'm getting bored, and you should try live on TikTok.
I
There
used
are
to do it.
so many.
Well, no. I did do that, Queen. But what was causing the issue was the damn OBS. I'm either have to. I might have to
You
change my
have,
hard drive or
if you
something.
can figure it
It was
out,
draining my
that's
it was
a
draining my
very
bit rates. So what it was doing was when the more sites I was adding to my OBS, it was slowing everything down. Cause y'all remember when I did that, everything was getting delayed. So that's why I had to stop it. It was too many. It couldn't handle it.
so many people are on TikTok. So many. Like I
Yeah. No.
see, and I'm
I
like,
tried doing it,
wow.
but like I said, it was slowing down the live stream. It was making everything delayed.
You gotta figure that out.
Yeah.
I'm
So like
sorry
I said,
if I sound rude.
I'm gonna have to either have a more powerful hard drive that's gonna handle all of that. But the hard drive I have, I can't like the more I add, it's slowing it down. That's why I had to take Kick off. I had to take TikTok off because it was slowing my OBS down. It was always delaying YouTube and Twitch.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, I did do it, but yeah, it was so many delays happening. People telling me the live stream was pausing on everybody, so I had to stop it. But that was the reason why.
Mm-hmm.
Jay, have a good one. I'm gonna go to lunch.
All right, boss. Have a good one, man, and thank you so much for coming through too, boss. Appreciate you.
Uh,
All right, don't forget to don't forget to sign up on that thing too, so I can have you locked in. I don't know if you heard me. Might got off.
No, he didn't.
Oh,
He
yeah. Okay.
cut it off.
I got his number. I'll reach out to him. I'll tell him. So Jenna, what y'all looking at, Queen?
I've just started. I haven't looked anything. I literally fell asleep because I woke up in middle of the night. I was already tired, and she made me
Yeah.
sit next to her.
Yeah. So like I
And
said,
I have one kid. So
Yeah.
when you have a single child, it's
I got
they are
4.
clingy to you. They don't
Yeah.
let you go. You are
So I
playing
mean, like, okay,
A
so
to Z.
so the position that you're in, as far as your life wise, do you think swing trade would be better for you?
Yeah, swing trading is better for
So
me. And
yes.
whenever, so we just found out like 3-4 weeks ago that my mother-in-law
Oh.
has cancer,
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
and my husband's family, they know so many doctors in Portland. So we
Well,
we live
Jenna,
in Gig Harbor, 2.5 hours, right?
Let me do this for you real quick. Let me do this for you real quick, cause I said I was gonna stop, but I mean you'll be the last. Well, you and hardware is gonna be the last person I add. So let me set you up this little thing so you can for the membership. Hold on real quick. Let me cause Nadia's already on. She's golden, so she's good. I gotta do Jen. I gotta add her to it. I'm gonna
And
get-
in July and August,
I
it
can
is
help
going
you
to be
with-
so hard because
Yeah,
I
so
will be in Portland 90% of the time. And right, because right now they are doing it, then I'm going to be the one who is going to take care of things.
Yeah,
And so it is going to be a little bit hard and complicated.
I got you.
And
Let me get you set
I
up.
think next
so-
year is going to be better. Next August, it's going to be more clearer, like that. And she's going to be more independent too.
Gotcha. Okay, let me try to get you set up real quick.
Morning, sir.
All right, so let me try to get you set up real quick. I'll get you in. I mean, you'll be the last person in on that one. Let me add. Where's is it at? Like, oh shoot, I took it off. God damn it. It's not what I meant to do.
She would be with us, but everybody, like my sister-in-law is physician, so she knows so many people in her town, so that's why they are like, she's there for treatment.
Why is it not letting me add the other ones? No, I was trying to add, because I'm trying to get you onto it. I'm trying to get you hooked up with the pass real quick. I'm trying to. I'm gonna have to fix it. God dog it. Let me change up the form real quick so I can let you do it. Cause I was having complications with it earlier. I had to call the company to have them fix it. All right, let me go to all memberships and. Why isn't my thing not showing up though? I'm trying to get the pass to show up so I can get you on it. I'm trying to see why it's not letting me do it. Let me go back. Is it turned? Oh, it's not turned on. No wonder. Duh. I wonder why I can't see it. All right, Jenna. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the link to the registration. So I'm gonna try to get you, and after that, I'm locking it off. Come on now. Let me see if it's gonna show up now. There we go. All right, so let me update the form. Let me see if it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the link real quick. I'm gonna send it to your Discord DM. And all you do is just hurry and fill it out and put you to the system. I just want to make sure the form is working. Okay, cool. I got it. All right, that's it. All right. So, Jen, I'm about to send you a link real quick. Let me go to your name. Send you a link right now. Go to your message. And hurry to click on that. I'm going to hurry try to get you in real fast. Why is it not letting me send a message? What the hell? Oh, there we go. Message. Duh, Jay. Take your time. All right, Queen, I'm sending it to you right now. So go ahead and do it so I can lock that out, lock it back out. All right, I sent you the registration. Go ahead and do that real quick.
Yeah. Should I say press free pass?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just sound it up and shit, cause I know I was having some complications with the form earlier. I couldn't do it. So just let me know when you get in so I can close it back out. Hopefully it's not gonna have no issues, cause I know I was having issues with it earlier. So guys, still keeping everything on watch. What I told you guys, watch your level. That we get still pull back down towards that 740. Just trying to hurry get her set up real quick. Members. Okay. So I got Nadia, Aussie, Lucky, got Primo, still got to wait on hardware, still come in. And guys, like I said, I'm going to be working on the mobile version too. So we're going to be getting that done possibly this week. And I
am entering password and I'm entering same password, but it is telling me that I have a different passwords.
Yeah, I see. I was having issues with that damn form. See, matter of fact, hold on. I might have to just do it myself. Yeah, cause I see that's what I was talking about. I had to call the company. I was having issues with the form. So let me. I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna try to do it on my end. I'm gonna try to get you in on my end. Yeah. So it's still not. Obviously, still not working then. Yeah, I was having issues with it. I don't know what was going on with that. So it's still doing it. Okay. So I got you. I got you on that, Jen. I'm gonna do it on my end. And what I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you to just send me information. I'm gonna see what I need on my end. So I'm gonna try to set you up an account and then have you log in from there. See, the login should work though. So I got you set up, Queen. I got you. I'm gonna have to do it on my end because obviously the form is still messing up then. Okay. So I'm gonna put it back to normal, and I'm gonna let me see. I can add you in on here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the password to use. Hey, what's up, Big P-Noodle? What's up, boss? So the only thing I'm gonna need from you, Jenna, is I'm gonna tell you what to, and then after that, I'll give you all the information. You can do everything else. Let me see what I'm gonna need from you though, because I'm gonna send you a temporary password to use. All right. So just do this real quick in your DM, Jenna. Just give me that information real quick, and then you should be able to figure everything else out once you're in the system. So yeah, I'm gonna get you in on that one. So yeah, so it's still acting up. So it's still doing that. Okay, that's all I needed to know. So I gotta get with them to see what's the problem. See what's going on with that. Okay. Yeah, my apologies for that error. I mean, I've been reached out to these people. I think they emailed me not too long ago as well. Why is my thing slow? Oh, here we go. Would they say me to provide what? Yeah, they just responded to me. I'm just trying to see what they... Was that today? Seven hours ago. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so they're trying to help me resolve the issue. But what's going on? We need to debug your... Okay, so what did they need from me? Could you please refer to this document guide to create a temporary login pass? So yeah, so the company that does my form, guys, so they're trying to help me fix it. How to create temporary... I'm gonna have to do this. I'll do this offline. Excuse me, I'll do this offline. Yeah, I'll worry about that later. All right, so let me get Jenna set up. Let me I'm gonna break down the other things that we're gonna be doing as well. Nadia, we are adding the blog, the forum site to the membership as well. Remember what we talked about if you have any suggestions and things of that nature, you can post it. We're gonna have that. We're gonna have the top gainers alert. We're gonna have that coming too. Oh man, y'all gonna be excited about this. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Remember we were talking about the where you can win cash prize giveaways? Watch this. So y'all gonna be happy. Y'all gonna be excited to see this. This is coming soon too. So. And I'm gonna break it. With a cash prize giveaway, guys, we're gonna have that. We're gonna be working on putting this out, where it's gonna be an area for members where you can spin a wheel and either win cash, merch, or you know, if you have a lower subscription where you can win an upper subscription. So I can't talk right without having to pay for anything. So that's gonna be set on that side, and also I got a little picture of me too. That's gonna be on the JTraedz side, the little casino thing. So we set up a little casino page on the website for JTraedz and for the LX traders, where you can spin a wheel to win, you know, like a free membership or things of that nature. So we was working on all that last night too. So these are the pictures that may be put into the pages. So we're just showing y'all what's coming. So we're gonna have that. So y'all get ready for the spin the wheel, and it's gonna be fun. So we've been working on that too. Jenna, let me get you hooked up. Let me see. Send me your okay, cool. All right, let me get you hooked up, Queen. I'm gonna send you a temporary. I'm gonna tell you what your temporary password is gonna be. So then I'm gonna have you log in and just tell me if it works. Okay. Okay, so I sent you a temporary once I get it up, so you can try it to tell me, let me know if it works. So I got about $2 more down on Tesla till we get to that 395, 394, almost there. SPY, we almost to our targeted area too as well. Almost to our targeted area. All right, so let me get Jenna set up real quick with her information she just provided. Let me see if I can do it on my end real quick. Okay. So we still pulling back, guys. Still pulling back. I'm just trying to get this set up real quick. How can I add user? Okay. Let me try it on this one first, see if it works. All right, so use her username. It's gonna be a username. Username required, and then put her regular name and email address. All right. If it don't work, I'll try the other route. I'm gonna try this route first, and put in a temporary password for her, so she can have that. Let me see if everything goes through. All right, it's fine. All right, Jen, I'm about to see. Let me see if it goes through. I'm about to try it out right now. Just double checking to make sure all the things you provided was right. Yep. All right. So let me go ahead and pass it through. Let me see if it works for you. All right, I added. Okay, so let's see if it works. I'm gonna see if it works. Let me go to my to the membership side to see if you have been added. So, cause I just hit add user. So you should be, all right, there we go. Okay, now let me go to my membership side and make sure that it went through. And then I'm gonna have you try to log in to see if it works. So yeah, Nadia, we're gonna be having more, like I said, we're gonna be having more information coming too as far as the website of what we're gonna be adding, what we're gonna be doing. Yeah. Okay, so we good, Jenna. So your name did pop up on the members thing, so you are. So go ahead and log in and see.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if it works. So yeah, so just going on the login side. Yeah, just go ahead and test this to see if it works. So yeah, since we couldn't do the pass, since that, yeah, that. And just let me know if it works, Queen. All right, guys, market is still pulling. I was gonna try to show you the little blog thing. I mean, it's kind of Nadia, I was gonna show you the blog thing. I know it's kind of a little messy. You can't really. All right, let me see. I'm gonna show you what we got so far. Okay, kind of give you an idea. I need to bring up the other one too, the blog page too, so you can see how it works. All right. Yeah, so right now it's still in work, so just be mindful that it's gonna look a little ugly. Just don't judge me. Because like I said, we're trying to get focused on this site. We're gonna get rocking and rolling. Okay, so for the blog thing, Nadia, we're gonna have this. Let me add this to this too. So okay, we're gonna have a blog site where, you know, once I do post something and I put out like a form, it's gonna have it's gonna have like the message and what we're talking about, and right here is where you can add in a comment, and they'll come down and they'll pop up down here. And then once from here, it's gonna pop to this blog site where it'll be like displayed in front of everybody. So I was doing test runs last night. So I was just testing myself to see what how it's gonna show. So it's gonna show the title of the blog. Is gonna show who the blog is made by, and underneath is gonna be all the comments from everybody who responded to that blog. So it'll be underneath here. So we're gonna have multiple pages for different blogs. So we're still working on it. We're still trying to get it together. So your name will pop up. What is it referring to? What blog site, the date that you posted, in your message. So that's what's gonna show up. So we're still working on that. We should have that possibly this week. We're gonna have different forms. That's gonna be and I did write the different ones down. What did I write it on? Site improvement, trade ideas, lesson requests, and merch requests. So it's gonna have different pages for different forms, different blogs where you can comment on it, give out your opinions, and so forth. So we're working on that right now. But this is just a little start of how it's gonna look. We're gonna change all of this soon. What we're gonna have again, the author, who is by, the title of the blog, the date when it was posted, and the message. So that'll be installed into the memberships tab soon. So just to let you keep you update to that on that, and also the top gainers alert, and and your custom hit list too, where you're gonna pick out your personal ticker and so forth. So we're still working on all that, trying to get it ready. And the spin the wheel, I'm gonna show y'all guys how the spin the wheel is gonna show up too. Y'all gonna y'all gonna like this. So the spin the wheel. So once we get everything, so just so y'all know what to expect. So I am working on my news feed still for my little spin the wheel. I haven't put in the whatchamacallit yet to it. Oops, did I go to the right one? Oh shit, I went to the wrong thing. Close. Where's my spin the wheel? Oh, there we go. Got it. Let me go to install. So give me a link so we can see it together. I might have to put it into my website just to show you guys. Alright, let me copy the code and I'm gonna paste it into my website. Jenna, let me know if you got it, Queen.
No, I'm not able to do it. I tried to fill out everything again, but it's not letting me.
On the login side?
Yeah.
Hold up. What's going on? I'm gonna have to test it on your end too. I'm gonna have to try it. Man, it's like the forms, like they all started messing up already. I don't know. I think they said they had a debug in it because they just talked to me. They're gonna have to fix it. Let me let me try to log in on mine. Let me see if it works. I'm gonna log out and log back in on my end. Alright, let me log out on mine. Because I'm able to get it on my side, on my profile. Alright, let me go back to it. Remember me. Log back in. Am I able to log back in? Yeah, I'm in on mine. I logged in on mine. Yes, because this is what's gonna show when you log in. Like I said, you'll go to your settings, and then you'll have your little area right here. So I'm gonna have to see why it's not letting you log in on yours. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Edit. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show y'all the spin the wheel thing, how it's gonna look. So this is what you're gonna see. So when you go to the spin the wheel, we're gonna have this, and then once you spin, this is what it's gonna show. So this is gonna be installed into the site too. Let me take this little preview thing on. Yeah. So when you'll win a chance, so we're gonna be updating all of this soon. But this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna have different. You're gonna have an orange setting for the LX traders. You're gonna have a blue setting for the JTraedz one. So we're working on all of that, trying to get that set up and ready. So you'll be able to win prizes and memberships and stuff. All right, let me see what's going on her end. Why she's not able to log in. What is going on? It's always something. Not with you, but just with these setups. It's always something with this crap. Because it's not saying active on your end. I noticed that. It's not saying active. So why is it not showing active yet, though? Because you are in a system. What I'm gonna have, matter of fact, let me do this. I'm gonna use the incognito and I'm gonna try to log in on with yours. Let me see. Let me see what it does. Alright. Let me try to log in. Alright, username, password. I'm gonna try to log in with your information on my side, Queen. Let me see if I can get it to work. Alright, let me try it out. Let me see what it say. My side. Oops. All right, let me see. It's in. I got in. Let me see. Let me go to LXT's home. I got in on it. Let me go to your settings. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in on yours. I got in. Look, I'll show you the proof. I got in on your side. That's crazy. I logged in with yours. Look.
Okay,
look, Jenna.
let me try.
Jenna, look. You
Let
see it
me
on my
try.
look. I'm in on yours. Yeah, I'm in on yours.
Let me try. Why is it not letting me log in?
Yeah, I literally just logged in. Yeah, I'm in on your side. I just did it.
Yeah, it is not showing me that option now anymore to select, like pre or that thingy.
On the form or the login site?
Form.
Cause I just did, like I said, I just logged into yours. I got in it. I got in on it. Yeah, I tried it and I got it. Yeah, I was able to log in on yours. Then let me also let me see if I can do a password reset, so I can just give you your own password too. Let me see, so you can have your own password. But yeah, I was able to log in on yours. Approved. Jenna, let me see, what is your name? Yeah, it's approved. So yeah, you are in. Let me reset the password for you too. I'm gonna have you. Let me see, password. Send password.
Yeah, I'm able to log in now.
Okay, ooh, so I sent the password reset. My bad. Okay, so you're in. Okay, cool. So you're in. So now you can add a picture and everything else. So you're good to go. Okay. Ignore that password reset then. Well, if you want to change it, you can. It's up to you. You can change your own password. I did send you a reset. like I said, guys, once I get off my live, I'm gonna work on trying to refix the form for those who are not members. I'm gonna go to refix the form to see. They said it's something about a debugging issue, so I just talked to them. So once I get off my live stream, guys, I'm gonna go test it and try to get that working back properly. Let me go to join real quick. Let me see, because for some reason it's not letting the numbers are not showing up. The price is not showing up on the total, so I gotta see what's going on with that. Yeah, even I was having, yeah, because that password was doing that thing. It was doing that to me yesterday too. I noticed that it did that to me too. It wasn't allowing me to put, like, it kept saying like the passwords wasn't matching or something. That's what it said to you too, Jenna. When you tried putting the passwords, like when you was filling out the form, the passwords wasn't matching. Because I know it did that to me yesterday too. When I was trying to, yeah. Okay, so it did the same exact thing to me. So yeah, something going on with this form. So what I'm going to do is, what time it is? I know it's half a day, guys. I'm assuming we're getting off. I'm going to get off about 15. I'm going to get up with it about 1:15. I get up about 1:15. So I can start working on what I got to work on. So I'll be, so for the members, guys, like I said, I'm going to be working on creating email, like newsletters. I will be sending emails to you guys with the instructions, are, you know, with the directions of the private live stream from 8 to 9. It's gonna be a personal link you have to click on where you can join the pre-market prep breakdowns, and then like I said, after the hour is finished, then I'll go into doing a regular live stream. So I'm gonna be working on a lot of this weekend to try to get everything fixed, and also with this form. But I was glad I was able to get you in, Jenna. But like, yeah, you could add in on your picture now if you want to update your picture. This in your password reset. If you want to change out your password, I did send that to you as well. Let me send you another one just in case. No problem, man. No problem at all, Jenna, because I know you go through a lot. So I mean, I want to help out as much as I can. So I did send you an email. For your password reset, if you want to change it to your own, you can do that. Or keep what I gave you. It's up to you. Let me see. All right, cool. Got that set. Yeah, no problem at all, Queen. Let me see. Let me go ahead and hang up that. I still been on this thing by myself, huh? Alright, let me hang up with the voice call. Alright, I'm off the voice call, guys. I had to hang up because I want to make sure everything is good to go. I didn't realize I was still on it. My fault. I did not realize I was still on that. Yeah, brown table count. So I'm closing out the Discord right now, guys. So and then, like I said, I'm going to be working on trying to get this form updated. And we're going to be adding more updates to the website as well, to the memberships. Yeah, so right now, Nadia with SPY. I mean, these bottoms are still holding. I mean, right now, I mean, because you in order for us to get that strong push, I mean, it's a lot of areas we need to get back up, you know, to the upside. I mean, right now, the market is still bearish. I mean, the market is still bearish. I mean, there's no fighting against it. I would just say, I mean, long wise, I mean, in order for me to jump in, I would have to wait for them to get back above certain price points. Like with SPY, you would definitely have to get back above that 747.27 level. But look like right now, you may be ranging at this time. Right now, it's trying to hold on top of 744. But I still think it's more downside coming. The areas the targeted areas I did have for SPY back down was going to be around like that 740. So that means that we need to get back above underneath 744. 742 is down into that 740 area where we're going to start to reverse back down this way. Because I still think it's more downside still coming. I still think so. But I am waiting on bouncing opportunities. But I'm not trading SPY. I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla possible bounce. So, because right now it's still fading. What time it is right now? 1 o'clock. So I still think it's gonna fade to about. I mean, we maybe setting up for a bounce going into next week. Possible bounce going into next week. It's a possibility. Especially if they stay on top of this 395, 394 area. But for sure, you definitely have to sell off. I mean, right now, I wouldn't try to go against the grain. The market is still weak. I mean, y'all, if you pay close attention, everything is still in the red. You have PLTR. Can you show Tesla chart? Yeah. See, Tesla's still going down. See, that's still. So look at that. I mean, right now it's still, and I have my levels. Oops, I have my levels all the way back down towards the downside of like 94, 95. So right now, I mean, I'm just not chasing that. I'm not chasing it at all. I'm just letting it do its thing right now. I'm trying to go to it. Damn, chart keeps updating on me. I hate when it does this. But yeah, see, right now we just been on a downtrend. I mean, so right now, I mean, it's still a no-go right now, Tesla. That's why I'm just waiting it out. I'm being patient. So, no-go for me. Yeah. Now, the reason why I didn't jump in, because, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't expect that yank. I'm not gonna lie to you. It kind of threw me off because I was, at one point, I was long biased. But now, with this, it's like, So, I didn't jump in on it. Because, yeah, that drop threw me off. Drop definitely threw me off today. Because, you know, throughout the week I was long biased. But now with this pullback now that we finally getting this massive red candle or this massive pull. Yeah. So now that I missed the pullback, I'm not chasing that. So now I'm waiting for the bounces. That's one thing, guys. If you miss the front side of the move, set yourself up for the back end of the move. Now me not jumping in on, you know, with the pullbacks, now what I'm doing is setting up for the back end of the move. It's pretty much the bounce. So pretty much red to green. So as we're still pulling back down, I'm watching these levels. So I do have my target set down here. Oh, I forgot to even put my damn target in. God dog it, my fault. My alert. I'm all late with that. What was it? 94. I might well just put 95. Because I'm going to just put 95. So right now the market is still fading, guys. I mean, right now there's no time. I'm not going long right now, nothing. Not right now. The market is still weak. I mean, right now it look like another consolidation type setup right here. So I'm not, yeah. So I mean, and also, guys, you gotta think about it. Today is Friday. Today's Friday is after everybody already done with their trade. You gotta think about it. Friday is a whole different ball game from Monday through Thursdays. You gotta keep that in mind because everybody who already done traded, especially at the beginning of the market, is going to enjoy their weekend. So that means the volume is going to start to die off. So you're going to see a lot more consolidation and a lot more slowness than anything. So I'm just saying this, take it with a grain of salt, take advice. If so, if not, I mean, it's up to you. I wouldn't trade, if anything. I would just sit back, let the market, let it just finish out today and then just take today's setup going into next week. That's what I would do. Once volatility moves back into the market. But you got to keep in mind, Friday is totally different from Monday through Thursday because you got to keep in mind, majority of contracts expires on Friday, especially if you got weekly contracts, Monday through Friday. Once Friday hit, expiration date, time decay, there's a lot of that situation going on, which is why I trade very carefully on Fridays. If anything, if I'm going to trade on Fridays, I'm going to trade at the beginning of the market on Fridays because that's where majority of your volatility is. But once after 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12, that volume kind of dies off. It kind of dies off, so you see a lot more consolidation. You see a lot more slowness, a lot more. And again, and don't put yourself in a position where you're having to force a trade. Don't force it. Don't do that. Don't just, again, if anything, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to trade. So I'm going to just see on how this is going to set up. Not until we get back above certain price points. Yeah, but right now it's fading. And I'm going to just let it set up because all I'm going to do is take today's setup and price points, mark them off, go into next week. That's it. So I can play off of it. So, for example, like for Tesla, let's just say this area holds out today and then go into tomorrow, go into Monday. If this level holds out, then this could be a nice buy-in area where we can play off of this area and reverse our way back up to the upside. Now you get what I'm saying? So being down here and it's not really doing anything, knowing that the market is bearish, I'm not going to put myself in a position that I shouldn't. Because think about it. If you're looking for bounces back to the upside, you're not making a lot. You're making small. I mean, look at these small candles. Every single bounce that's happening. You get small windows of opportunity of bounces. Small. Look at the majority of red candles versus the majority of green candles. So that's telling you that sellers are still in control because you have way more selling candles than you have buying candles. So me jumping in on a call, bouncing, knowing that I don't see no volatility, it's going to be slow. I'm going to just be sitting there while this is happening. Slow moving. I mean, even on the put side, it's just the volatility is dying off. It's slow right now. So I'm not going to put myself in a position where I'm going to just be sitting there for minutes and damn near an hour and I'm not getting any type of results. So my thing is, again, Fridays, if anything, I would say wait until possibly 2 o'clock power hour where you could see some type of volatility, step back in. But right now, what we have in front of us, and damn near everything, guys, we have a downtrend setup. The market is in the red. VIX is hitting some all times. It's hitting these back around above these highs. And you already know, if VIX goes up, SPY goes down. You need VIX to come down in order for SPY to go back up. But not if VIX is doing what it's doing. That means that the market is going to continuously pull. So let's go to VIX too. See that? So why would I want to get in on the bounce if VIX is still doing this? That means that that's pretty much catering more towards the put side, towards the shorts than anything. So look how powerful this is. If VIX is doing this, SPY's doing the opposite. So I wouldn't be trying to jump in until I see volatility. Now, once we hit around these areas, if this area, managed to tops out and, VIX, reverses underneath like $19 back down, then yeah, you can look for a possible bounce on SPY. But I mean, right now you just got these strong green candles. So right now, as far as VIX goes, you got 1, 2, and right here you're starting to stall out a little bit, right around this 19 to 1875 area where you start to get upper shadows. Now, that area could be equivalent to SPY's bottom, what SPY could be holding. And then once this bad boy starts to reverse back down, then SPY could actually do a red to green move. Yeah, in due time. But I mean, look at how powerful VIX is. Look at how powerful the shorts were today. I mean, look at this. That's a powerful short sentiment. That's a powerful short signal that the shorts have it versus the calls, the longs. I mean, that's definitely a powerful move towards the upside. Creating a big bull flag pattern above all indicators with these tops. And then, like I said, just watch on VIX, just watch at 19 to 1950 areas where you got rejected at before. 19, pull back, 19, pull back, 1950, pull back. So these would be like top areas on the VIX for the time being. But keep that on watch. So all you do is just take these top areas, mark them off, because that's the area where the sellers are sitting at, pretty much. Because it's not allowing them to break out yet. So again, that area could be equivalent to SPY's bottoms in due time. So by looking at this, now go to SPY to understand, okay, what bottoms could hold on SPY? What is the psychological area? We just went over this. Your psychological area is going to be around 740.92. Jay, why that area? Because that area is a possible pivot area on SPY. So we go to my 1 hour time frame real quick, as I was talking to Lucky and Oracle and them about. And we go to here and go back a little bit. See this area right here that held up before? Resistance, pull back, resistance, pull back. You see how they acted as, and you notice it's like a pivot. You notice how you rotate around that price point? And it acts like a magnet. What you think it's doing to this side right here? It's trying to pull it to it like a magnet, right? So once you get to this level, yeah, then we can see what happens, where we go from here. Once we hit around this 740 area, then we can see. Because all you're doing is just pulling back down to this area like a magnet. That's it. All you did was rotate above it, and now you're rotating back to it. That's it. You rotate right back to this pivotal area. Now what takes place here is a make or break area. If buyers can hold, then yes, we can see a possible red to green move back up towards the 747s, up to 750s, and so forth, where we'll go back. However, if we crack that, now we have to focus on the prices below this way, which is going to be down towards the 730 level. Because you got to keep in mind, Because if we fall all the way back down and lose this area back this way, all you're doing is closing out a bigger cup. That's it. Because you already got half of a cup right here. You got half of it already starting off. Now we get a pull all the way back down. All you're doing is closing out that bigger cup. And that'll be the end of that one. That'll be the bigger end. But then notice your psychological areas. Because where did your bias come into aggressive? Right here. Right around this 730 level. 730, 732 level. Where your bias came in and went on an aggressive move back to the upside. So you got to keep this level in mind. And keep these two levels in mind. Now that we're on the downside of things. So as we're pulling back this way, focus on that price point and focus on that price point. Those will be your two focus price points. That's, I mean, as of now. Because the market is on the downside. And you gotta keep in mind that the market is weak is because of the job reports. That didn't help the market, it hurt the market. So right now, the market is in fear in a sense. And then not just that, the market is overbought. Because if I go to my 5-year chart, the market is overbought. So it needed to cool off. Because, I mean, look at this. You've been on a bullish rally for and remember, these are weekly candles. So every single week, we've been going up without no major pullbacks. And keep in mind, look at the RSI. You are already overbought. The RSI was already around in the 70s and 77s. So the market needs to calm down. It needs to cool off. So we're going to have a pullback. That's going to happen. So keep that in mind. The move towards the upside has already happened. Now what we need to and what we're going to be anticipating is now the pullback session. And your 13 EMA is all the way back down this way. That's gonna be all the way back down towards like the 715, 720s. So the market already got overextended. Now we need to pull back down. So that's gonna happen. The bullish move has already took place. That's already happened. We're already hitting all-time highs. We're already hitting tops. So now we have a new high, which is around 746. 760.40. So you got to give the market now time to cool off. It's been going on a bullish run for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks without pulling back. So what you think is going to happen if you're going just straight up on the move? You're going to have a session when you're going to have a pullback moment. It's going to happen. The market is not going to go up forever. You're going to have a time where it's going to hit a certain price point and pull back to reset itself. So you got to give the market time to cool off after this hot market that we just had with all this. Think about it. We came from the 600s. We blew through the 600s up to the 700s, guys. All into the 740s. Without no major pullback? Think about it. That was bound to happen. It's not going to go up forever. So all the market is doing is nothing to panic about. All the market is doing right now, guys, is cooling off. It's cooling off because it needs to come back down to reset itself. It needs to come back down. So yeah, guys, I'm about to soon be heading on out. And like I said, definitely going to be working on some more updates as far as the website. I'm going to begin with that company to help me with my forms to get that back and running. Hey, brother, tonight, whenever you can hop in. Yeah, and also, guys, don't forget, I will be with AK-47 in his panel tonight. And we're definitely going to be definitely having a good time over there, too, man. So, I mean, guys, think about all these opportunities that's been happening. You know, with me, these blessings, man. The website, now the membership, now getting invited to these different panels and stuff. I mean, things are happening, man. And I mean, it's a good thing because it's going to not only benefit me, it's going to also benefit you guys. It's going to benefit our community, which the community is going to get bigger and bigger. So that's a good thing. So like I said, man, we moving. Through the grace of God, we moving. We finally moving. We finally getting noticed, and things are starting to happen. Yeah, so also, I mean, blessings are happening. I mean, it's coming. I mean, it was a long time coming. I mean, been through a lot, man. Been through a lot, and it's just time for me to get my just due, you know. So, you know, God is just opening these doors of opportunities for me right now. So, and shout out to AK for inviting me to the panel tonight. I will be there, guys, tonight. Cause I do have to go out of town real quick, and I told him I'll be back in for 9, cause I think the panel is gonna be from like 8:30 to 10. So yeah, I'll be in about 9. So I'll be on this panel at around 9. So I'll be there, guys. So catch me on that panel. Also, as I told Nadia, we're working on the blog area in the membership site where you can we're gonna have different forms, and I do have them listed out. I have 4 so far, and that was due to y'all. Thank y'all. The site improvement, the trade ideas, lesson request, and merch request. So it's gonna be different panels, different blog or forums where you can just state your ideas. Comment in the box where you say like you're like, I think we should do this, I think we should do that, and so forth. So we're gonna have that. That's gonna be a part of the membership site soon. That's gonna be a tab added. Also, another tab that's going to be added is going to be the start next week. I want to start doing it. We're going to have the top gainers alert. The top gainer list, like start Monday. So like whatever top gainers we have, keep them jotted down, and that's going to be alerted into the membership section too. And if it changes, like if another stock happens to take the place of that original gainer, we'll switch it out. And it changes out every single day. It's going to change out every single day. Of course, you guys are going to get the blue chip recaps from different companies, Apple, Tesla, Amazon. That's Monday through Friday price points. Aussie, did you see the spinner wheel thing that I told you? We're going to be adding that to the membership too, and also to the JTraedz site itself, where people can win chances, because it's going to be a spin the wheel where people can win chances to get a free membership, cash, merch, and things of that nature. Did you see the little spinner wheel thing? And the pictures that we're going to be adding to it, to the page? Tell me, let me know if you didn't see it. I'll put it back up before I do head on out, because I do have to leave in a few. So yeah, like I said, guys, I wasn't here yesterday because we had meetings after meetings, and then I had a team to help with the site, man. So that's what to take a lot of weight off of me. Okay, look, so for the LX Trader side, right? Let me go to casino. This is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see like a logo like this. So you're gonna have a logo like this, right? You're gonna have this logo, and it's gonna have like the poker chips and everything, like a little gambling casino, and that's gonna be pertaining to the LX Traders thing. So you guys gonna have your own membership side where you can win. Man, Nadia, thank you so much, my beautiful queen. Thank you so much, queen.
At Get Rich Todgy, the super chatted $4.99.
So yeah, we're gonna have that set up for the LX Trader side where you guys can win a chance. But now that you're already members, you don't have to worry about it. So like I said, you guys are members. So the only thing we're gonna have the wheel focused on you guys is like cash and merch, stuff like that. Another thing I do want to add later on down the line is like trips, like free trips somewhere. But for sure, we're gonna do cash and merch on you guys end. Now for the JTraedz side, let me go to it. Not that one. Let me go to the JTraedz side. For those who are not members who want to win memberships, we're gonna have this picture on my end. It's gonna be my face. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna have my face, with the little poker table. That's gonna be for the JTraedz side. Now your wheel, you'll have the chance to also win cash prize, merch as well, and also memberships where you what was that? Tesla guys, $395 is hit my $395, and so forth. So. And the way we're going to do that is you'll get a chance to win. We're going to do it in tickets. So you'll have like a bronze ticket, which is monthly. You'll have a silver ticket, a gold ticket, and then you'll have a platinum ticket. Platinum ticket is the lifetime membership. Bronze ticket is the monthly membership, and in between and so forth. So we'll have like a custom ticket set up where you'll win that, and you'll have access to the membership if you win. So we're definitely working on a lot of this, guys. AK will be with you for penny stocks. What you mean? If he's gonna be with me for penny stocks? You talking about in the morning? He's gonna be doing his own stream. Unless he wants to join me. I can talk to him tonight for the panel. Because he's always welcome to my stream, because he always welcomed me to his. So AK know he's always welcome. Let me show Nadia. Not Nadia. Let me show Aussie the spinner wheel. Let me go to my spinner wheel thing real quick. So this is what we're gonna have for the spinner wheel. Let me go back to it real quick. Let me go to edit. So yeah, Aussie. So this is what we're gonna have. So we're gonna have the spinning wheel, right? So you say, for instance, we pick your name. Like Nadia wins, you win. Your name get drawn out. We'll do a spin the wheel, and we'll do it on live. And I think you can only do it click it one time. I think. Or can you do it multiple times? Oh, one time. So whatever it lands on, that'll be your prize, and they'll give you a winning. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna set it up to where it says your name or whatever the case may be. And you'll win that prize, and then you'll go into talking to me, and to go from there. giving further information and so forth. As far as the blog site, we are still working on that. Oops, go to the blog site. So we're still working on the blog site for the memberships. Well, I told you guys. So also this gonna pertain to you guys too. So we're gonna have a blog area, right? So and we're gonna have different ones you can click on, like whether it's gonna be pertaining to the site improvement or trade ideas or lesson requests. So you don't comment here. That's gonna just be the display. So I'm gonna still customize the box. I'm still working on it, trying to get it. This is gonna look better than that. It's not gonna look plain once I get it fixed. We'll have the title, and we'll have the statement. What is pertaining to. So all you'll do is comment I'm gonna just put your name. We'll say my name is, I'll say Nadia, and you can put your comments here. Click comment, and it should appear at the bottom here, right? Let me see if it's gonna do it. Bam. I know you can't see it because I gotta change the background. So it did appear right here. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna generate off of that area and show on the public blog area in front of everybody. Bam, right here. See, name is Nadia. See, it automatically appears in the little comment feed, in a comment feed, where people can see who commented, who said something, what was Nadia talking about, what did she comment on. You just click on this little area here, the title, and it takes you to that blog, so they can see on what they what was discussed about, so they can comment on it, and then their comment will appear above because it goes by lowest to oldest to newest. So that's gonna be for you guys blog area. So we're gonna be working on that this week. We're gonna break them down. We're gonna have different posts where they're gonna have one for, like I said, I'm probably gonna redo these and just put a different title since I already have them. And you can go to different ones, and again, your comments will appear in these sections. So yeah, so we're working on that this week. So yeah, so all this, I told you ladies, I wasn't gonna let y'all down. I told you this. I told y'all I was not gonna let y'all down in no shape, form, or fashion. I got y'all. So yeah, guys, I'm about to be heading on out. I do have to get ready. I gotta do out of town, and then get back out here, prep myself up for AK's panel. So I will be over there. I want to see everybody there. Nadia, also, I already know you gonna be there. You all over the place. You like a sniper. Jen and everybody. So let me give a shout out to everybody real quick, so I can get everything worked on, because I want to get the majority of this work out of the way this weekend, so I don't have nothing stopping me going into next week. So nothing stopping me. No type of your alert should be dearly. Huh? Wait, your alert should be what? Your alert should be dearly? Not right now. I'm not going long, Meth. I'm not doing long. I mean, you can if you want to. It's up to you, depending on what you're looking at. If you're on Tesla, watch it 395 for the possible rotation back up off the 395 as long as it holds. You can look for that push back up to 400 plus, but watch your 400 because that's going to be a strong resistance. SPY, watch your... I still think it's in a consolidated area, because, that's why I said what I'm going to do is just... All I'm going to do is just see where the bottom's going to... because I know my levels. All I want to do is to see if Friday's going to close above those levels and hold going into next week, because that means that's going to be a level that's going to hold for Monday and so forth. But right now, yeah, just, it's up to you guys. If y'all want to continue to trade, but just watch your levels. But like I was telling y'all, Fridays, the volatility is going to... Your alerts should be separate. Well, that's why I'm going to have a... that's why I'm going to put up an alert tab. An alert tab. Remember we talked about this, Nadia? So, on the website, I'm going to have an alerts area. Oh, I get what you're saying. I got what you're saying. I got what you're saying. I get exactly what you're saying. No. It's gonna be tonight. It's gonna be in a panel. Well, Bernice, how I'm gonna have to do it is I'm gonna have to, cause you a member on my Patreon, right? You're a member on Patreon, correct, Bernice? but what I was saying, Nadia, the thing is gonna be tonight. Your alerts, we should not be able to alert. Wait, so you wanna? Okay, so you wanna do an alerts? Okay, so y'all wanna do an alerts tab where y'all can alert something? Okay, I see what you're saying, and then I have my own. Oh, okay. Boy, Naughty be on it, boy. Okay, I get what you're saying. I get you. All right. I'm gonna add that too. All right. I get what y'all saying. I get exactly what you're saying. Shout out to Naughty. Oh, that's my I'm gonna put that into that too. Man, Naughty be throwing some gems at me. I swear she do. I'm writing that down so we can work on that. Nah, I get what you're saying. That could work. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, okay. So since you already a member, so you already qualified. So matter of fact, before I get off my live, I'm gonna do this. I'll do it for you right now. Yeah, I got you, Nadia. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do like either a top like no, I'm gonna have to do it sideways because it's gonna be long. So I'm gonna have to do like one side with me and then one side with y'all. Okay, I got you, Queen. I got you. We got that. So let me go ahead and get Bernice hooked up real quick. Let me hook you up real quick, Bernice. Since you already a member, I got you on that. So that's automatic. You automatically let me get you hooked up real quick. Let me add you into the list. Add you into the and then once I do that, just let me know. So and then you can change whatever else. Now I'm gonna ask you this. Cause I got all your information from the I got all your the information from Patreon. What would you want your username to be? Cause you're gonna have a name, username. So let me know. Yeah, okay. That's gonna be tonight. Once he gives me the link, Nadia, I'm pretty sure he's gonna link me. Cause I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on his website. He has 2 different channels. He has one he does. Let me go to it real quick. He has one where he does just primarily based off of his like his live stream, and he has one with members and stuff with like a panel people. Let me go to his thing real quick though. Excuse me. Let me go to his thing because he has two different like let me go to it right here. So yeah, so he has 2 different pages. I think it's gonna be under the stud and dudes. I think it's gonna be under that one. I don't think it's gonna be under Josh Smith. I think it's gonna be underneath this one, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is the one he does the panel. Or it might be the other one. Let me see. Let me go back to it. Let me see. Or it might be underneath this one. It might be underneath this regular, because he is live. Matter of fact, let me go on his live stream while I got it. Let me see. Is he on? Oh no, he's not even on. Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna let him know I will be joining him tonight.
I'm definitely ready. Yeah, let's talk about it. So this is going to be the talk of the town now that we've got PDT out of the way. I know it just came. It would have been the biggest news of the month, any other month.
Who's talking?
Year, maybe. We have SpaceX. We have Elon debuting his big old rocket ships. Everybody loves big market, or an appetite the market has for them. We are basically playing a game of hot potato.
And I'm gonna see y'all his link.
See what you're doing if you're playing these space names.
Let me go to this page.
Let's check it.
Let me go to his link. I'm gonna send you guys his YouTube so y'all can subscribe to AK47. Don't forget to subscribe to my guy AK. I'm gonna post this real quick. All right. Join me on AK. Join me on AK's YouTube channel. I'm gonna put YT channel. Y'all know that. Y'all know what it means. And all right, I'm gonna put and post. All right. So y'all can join me on that as well. So y'all can join me on whatever platform. I'll be with him tonight. Oh, Bernice, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me get you finished. Twanky. Okay, let me hurry and get you set up real quick. Let me do this while I got you. And just like all right. Go to the users form and get you set up real quick. Right. User. Yeah, cause I gotta get done to fix my form. I mean, the login form and everything works. It's just that registration form is acting up. It's not allowing people, cause because what I'm trying to do, another thing I want to do too as well with the form, I do want to let them sign up for free to have an account, but they'll still have to choose a monthly, to have access to everything else. So they can have an account, but they're not gonna have access to the main things until they sign up for monthly and semi whatever. They have to sign up for that for sure. But because I want to give people an opportunity to sign up for free without having to pay to sign up, where they can sign up free but just pay for the memberships, of course. But I can't do it right now because we're having issues with the registration, because they want because I even tested it, because Jenna had the same exact issue. Like, you can fill out the name, username, and all that, but when you get to the password area, the passwords doesn't match for some apparent reason. Even though you may have the same passwords, top and bottom, the confirm one, it still says they don't match. So it's like some type of error is giving off. I don't know what the hell that's about and why it keeps doing that. All right, let me get Bernice set up real quick. I got her username. All right, Bernice. I'm gonna send you a temporary password. I got your email. I can email you. I'm gonna email you. I email you. Then you can reset the password yourself. That's what I'm gonna do. I got you on that. All right, let me go back to the Patreon. Let me get all your information real quick. Get you hooked up. All right. Email required. All right. Alright, almost got you set up, Queen. Almost got you set up. Almost done. Almost done. Then for the password, I'm going to just give you a temporary one. Okay. And you should be good to go. Send users a notification about their account. Yeah, so I should have you done. Let me go ahead, add user, so you should be good to go. I got all your information, username, and you should be in the system. All right, so you should be good to go, Queen. All right, so I sent you the information. Let me know if it gives you the temporary password, and from there, you can do it can also do a temporary password reset as well. So I did see you that information. You are in the system. You are approved. Yeah, so everything's good on my end for you. So you should be good, Queen. Miss B, check it out. So because I was gonna see the password through what other passwords you have? I mean, not password. I'm sorry. What other areas you follow me on? Because I can see the password like to Discord or like whatever you follow me on, Twitter or Facebook or whatever the case may be. I mean, I could also send it to your email. I mean, it wouldn't be no problem. Right now, boss, we're in consolidation. We haven't hit that main price point yet. Keep it on watch. That main pivotal area casino is gonna be that right where my yellow line is at. We haven't hit it yet. And just let me know. Let me know if it gives you the password. If it tells you what the password is. If not, I'll send you a password reset. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take. I'll just email you. I email it to you through. Look for JTraedz email, Miss Bernice. Look for, and I'm gonna just send you the temporary password real quick. If it doesn't show, just saying. All right, let me send you one real quick. All right, Miss Bernice. There we go, and this will be temp password. Now I'll send that to you. Okay, I got you. I'll send it to your email. So check your email. I got you. Check your email, and I'm gonna give you the login link so you can test it for yourself. I'm gonna tell you what your information should be. Log in. So, because before I get off this live, I just want to make sure you're good to go. That you're able to log in. And then for everybody else who want to join, I'm gonna get the forms. I'm gonna get them to get it to reset and see what's going on with that. Okay. Okay. Put your username, which is Twinkie, and then I'm gonna have your password set. Alright. I think that's the one I have set for it, I think. And I'm gonna log on to yours too, using your information to make sure it works too. I'm gonna have to use the incognito. Let me try my incognito window real quick. I just want to, because I want to test it myself just to make sure it works. For the login. Alright, let me see. You can either use a, alright, type in your username and temporary password. Let me see if it works. And let me see if it works. Bam! It works. It works. It works. So I got yours. And look, and I'll show you the proof. It works. So I got you in. I got you in on the queen. So bam, there go yours. Booyah. Got it in, so it works. I logged in on yours just to check it out to see if it works. It does work, Queen. Alright, so let me go ahead and see that information to you right now. So everything works on my end. Alright, Miss B, I got you. So check your email real quick. Go ahead and check your email. Sent it to you. So right now we're still getting a little bounce back up. So like I said, Fridays, man, I'm not I mean, if it moves, it moves. I mean, but like I said, right now I'm just, you already know how I am with Fridays. I hate freaking Fridays. And shout out to Nadia, guys, for giving me the idea to stretch out my charts. So instead of having 3 charts where it's getting all compressed where y'all can't see it on my live stream, I wound up doing 2 charts instead, and I wound up moving everything down. So my price is down here, which is 270. My ladder bound down here. So I'm gonna still readjust everything because I know I got a big old gap right here. So I'm still trying to move everything around on this damn thing. I might add another watch list down here. That's what I might do. I might add another watch list because I got the news area right here. So I got the watch lists is up here from the blue chips, SPY, and I might add another one right here where y'all can. Matter of fact, I might do that. That's what I might do. I might add another tab for the members, so where they can request tickers, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna add a ticker request from members right here. That'll be the members request. So that'll work. So that'd be nice. Yep, so right now we are holding balls. Look like we held above that 42.50, trying to go for the bounce back up, but your main resistance is that 47.27. So Miss B, yeah, go ahead. You got it? Okay. Did you log in? Log in, make sure you're good. Yeah, log in, make sure you're good to go. Yeah, so long as you good, okay, cool. That's fine. But I did log in myself to test it, and it did work. It did work. Because once you log in, it should bring you straight into the LX Traders homepage. And then you go to settings if you want to change like your name or email address or whatever. I'm gonna be getting the updated form where you can because it's gonna have extra features to it where you can do your own reset password, and there's some other features that comes with it, and so forth. But yeah, right now, guys, like I said, everything is still in work in progress. So, I mean, we're still working on trying to get everything panned out for you guys. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the membership. Thank y'all so much. Like I said, we're going to be having many more things coming. We're going to be working on adding the blogs to the site. The alerts tab. Shout out to Nadia for bringing up the alerts. Where we're going to separate my alerts from you guys' alerts. So, we're going to have that. And like I said, and that's why we're going to have the blog so y'all can throw out ideas. And now, Ms. Bernice, you can do that too, Queen, where you're going to have that opportunity to do that too. And you're going to have a chance to you know, where you can play a spin and win thing where you can win merchandise, you can win cash, and so forth. So, like I said, guys, there's a lot of things coming. There's definitely a lot of things coming. And so, casino, all we're doing right now, boss, is possibly pulling up towards that old pivot point of the area that we cracked. That 747, 27, watch that area. So all you're doing is slowly rotating back up here. So, I mean, you do have enough room to pull up to the VWAP in this area. So that's all it's doing is rotating and possibly doing like a little gap fill from these two indicators up to these two indicators. Going like for a little gap fill towards the upside, pulling up to it. But you're still going to have that top area that's going to be resistance. But yeah, I'm not trading right now. I'm gonna wait to reset Monday. But other than that, guys, man, thank y'all so much. Once I get off this live, I'm going to be working on some material to get this done for you guys so y'all can have a better and more comfortable experience for the LX Trader side. And again, thank y'all so much for joining me. Once I get the forms done for the people who haven't joined, I will post it out again because right now it's some type of issue is occurring. But they did give me a little thing to follow, direction to follow to see that something I have to reset. So I'm gonna do that too. But other than that, let me give a shout out to everybody, man. But thank y'all so much for everything, though, man. I definitely appreciate y'all. So y'all already know, man. W team, as usual, y'all already know what time it is. Shout out to the mods. Thank y'all so much for everything that you guys do. Nadia, my beautiful queen, thank you so much for the dono again. Because of you, like I said, you helped me with the payouts for YouTube, the contributions. That's what I'm talking about. You know, giving back so I give back even more to y'all, man. And that's what it's about, man. I mean, shout out to y'all for that, man. I thank y'all for that, man. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Okay, so you go. Okay, good. Now you should be able to go into the top tabs. Now you should be seeing extra features now. Yeah, YouTube and also YouTube, my beautiful queen, because again, you were my first my one-on-one. So I'm never gonna forget about that. You were my first one-on-one, and I couldn't be more. Y'all forever and you're dead. Nadia, that's also my other, my other supporter, man, who been rocking with me, so thank y'all for everything, man. I mean, the contributions that y'all been doing, donations and everything, man, it's a blessing because it goes a long way, so I'm grateful for that. And that's why, again, it benefited y'all because hope y'all enjoying the membership. So, and not just that, I mean, y'all were members on, Patreon, Miss Bernice and all of y'all. So, so that's what I'm going to do. Speaking of that, for the Patreon members, I'm going to shut it off. So no more is coming out of y'all. No more shouldn't be getting taken out. So I'm going to shut that off. And everything's going to be transferred over to the membership side. So that's going to be, y'all have to worry about that. I'm going to shut that off for y'all where y'all don't have to do that anymore. That's done. So, and that's just my way of saying thank y'all because y'all been loyal. Y'all been committed to me. Y'all been, y'all been Patreon members and following me. And so why not give back to the people that gave to me? So, for all the members, shutting that off. And the ones who are members, I'm transferring y'all from the Patreon now into the LX Traders membership. So, see? Paid off. See? Paid off. See, it's what happens when you give. You always receive 100 times more. So, but shout out to everybody, man. If y'all are new to my YouTube channel and if I have earned y'all respect, y'all support, y'all love, man, please do your boy a favor. Go to my YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button on YouTube under JTraedz. If y'all already subscribe, like, share, comment. That goes a long way. That helps with the channel. That helps with the community. Thank you so much. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. Other than that, man, guys, it's been a blast. And Aussie, I don't know if you was here, Miss Bernice. I don't know if you was here. For the members and that's another thing too. You know how I have this little thing that pops up every now and then, like the clips and stuff, like this. So Austin, before you leave, so you know how I normally have this, like the little pop-up thing like this. I'm gonna have a pop-up thing like this, but for the LX Traders. Now I'm gonna be doing that in the morning and so forth, and it's gonna come up with a list. It's gonna give you updates. So every week, that'll be pertaining to the LX Traders members. I'll be like, for my LX Traders, man, we have this update, we have that update, we have this update. Well, I'm gonna announce it, live, so if you didn't check the little news section where it tells you updates and whatever, I'll alert it live stream on the updates. Like we added this, we added that, we added a new lesson, and so forth. So it's like a little thing is gonna pop up with the little LX Traders logo for the members and give you a list on the updates. So I'm gonna be working on that too. told you, it's a lot about to be taking place. It's a lot about to be going on. But I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Definitely ready. And then, guys, don't forget to join me with AK-47 tonight, guys, in a panel. So I will be there at 9 o'clock, rocking and rolling. So I'll be there for an hour, chilling with the team, with the squad, with my guys. You already know. So yeah, guys, I'm about to be heading on out, man. About to be signing on off, so I can start getting ready to work on all this stuff, because I'm gonna be on this all freaking night. So definitely get ready to rock and roll. So I am signing off. I hope everybody have a blessed weekend. And again, we're going to be working on more and more stuff to improve the site, to improve the memberships, and we taking off from here. So thank y'all for y'all love and support, because I wouldn't have made it this far if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you. It's no JTraedz without y'all, as I always tell y'all. So guys, like I said, for my members, look for more updates to come. And also, don't forget, guys, members, we're going to be doing a private live stream for an hour from 8 to 9, where we're going to be doing a pre-market setup, pre-market breakdowns. And then from that, then we'll start the regular live at 9:15, because that'll give me 15 minutes to switch over and get everything done. So you're also going to have that as well. So big Panoodle. I'm gonna get the membership thing set up. The forms, BP. Right now it's not working. It's having issues. So do forgive me for that. Once I talk to the company who's over the form, we get everything situated, I'll alert you guys to say, okay, it's back up and running. Y'all can finish filling it out and whatever the case. But right now it's having errors, having issues right now. So we're trying to do our best to reset it. So we're trying. We're going to try to reset it. So if I can get it redone, I'll alert everybody, let everybody know, so they can, continue with the registration and so forth. But other than that, guys, I'm about to be heading on out. And also now with the membership, the pre-market briefing that I normally do on Sundays, that's going towards the membership. So that's going to be another private meeting. So it's going to be another one. So you're going to have 2 private meetings, or 2 private videos. You're going to have one for the market briefing and one for the pre-market prep. And then after that, we start the normal live stream like what we're doing now. So I told you there's going to be a lot coming. I told y'all gear up. Gear up. But BP, I got you. I got you on that. Reach out to me either my Gmail or either my social media, whatever you follow me on, like Twitter, whatever else. What's the other one? Discord, whatever. So I can give you some more breakdowns inside. So it just we'll have a talk, just us. So because I got you, dude, because you've been helpful as well too. So I gotta give you your just due. So after the live stream, boss, reach out to me either via email, JTraedz@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me through Discord or Twitter, where you can DM me, and I can help you out too, because you've been a contributor too as well. I mean, you helped out with a lot too, man. So I'm gonna talk to you behind the scenes. But other than that, guys, I'm about to be heading on out, man. I hope everybody have a blessed weekend. For my members, like I said, we're gonna have a private meeting, video, market briefing Sunday, and then we're gonna be having the pre-market prep Monday, starting at 8. But other than that, guys, stay blessed, stay safe. Congratulations to everybody, and we'll see what the market has to offer and see how we're gonna make money next week. Love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and y'all already know what I'm about to say. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always keep grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. See y'all next week, guys. Love y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.